yeah.
Yeah. Drinking dope turned me to a superhero, yeah. Hit that pill, turned me to a superhero, yeah. Roll my 90s, turned me to a superhero, yeah.
If your metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.
I'm on that dope again, I'm on that flow again, switch up the flow again, yeah. Fly in the parachute, gripping that pole again, I'm on that all again, yeah. Candy in the cup, gotta get paid. King in the streets, young nigga made. Spraying on the crowd, take to the grave. Ain't having problems, I'm sipping the bar. Shout out to Dallas, my bitch is a star. Nigga get rich, ready to take you to war. Piss on your casket, shoot at your bra. Do you something nasty, roll you in a car. Bitch get graphic, fuck me in the car. I get you a brand new roller tomorrow. I put that brand new roll on your arm. Ain't moving slow, but I'm still on R. Tennis bracelets and they came with the frost. Cuban links all the way up to your jaw. Step up the swag when I step on a bra. $2 and a half, ooh, that's the cheapest one. Stacking these hundreds up like coupons. Told you from up again, upper echelon. I get the stacking up, I'm untouchable. I get to represent money multiple. I'm at the top of the charts, unapproachable. Bread by the loaf, turbo the motor, tic-tac-toe. Kill another vulture, selling their bows. Bitch do yogas, I deserve rewards. Serving these boulders, 100 grand large when I shop, that's a total. Fill up the garage, bitch, I'm a mogul. Ain't no facade, ain't no fugazi. I jump it off, I get paid. Drop top rust, I'm going crazy. I push off, smoking on haze. Not trying to floss, Cartier shades. Candy in the cup, gotta get paid. King in the streets, young nigga made. Spraying on the crowd, take to the grave. Ain't having problems, I'm sipping the bar. Shout out to Dallas, my bitch is a star. Nigga get rich, ready to take you to war. Piss on your casket, shoot at your bra. Do you something nasty, roll you in a car. Bitch get graphic, fuck me in the car. I get you a brand new roller tomorrow. I put that brand new roll on your arm. Ain't moving slow, but I'm still on R. Tennis bracelets and they came with the frost. Cuban links all the way up to your jaw. Step up the swag when I step on a bra.
Top night feeling, tired be a hero, but live long enough to see yourself become a villain.
Soon as you up, these niggas wanna bring you down. The weight of the world, head on my shoulders, hold the crown. I ain't got a case, so I can't save you now. Niggas wanna hate, rather see you drown. And the world keeps spinning, like I'm the only one. Am I the only one?
Yo, chat, what up, what up, what up? What up, chat? Ooh. We're back. What can I say? What can I say? It's been a long time. It's been a long time, chat. Honestly, it's only been a week, man. It's honestly only been a week. And I haven't taken one break off the charts. Not one little break. I took a streaming break though. That's all I need. Trading, I can go on forever with trading. Trading is, you know, not really tiring or anything, but what's tiring is streaming. But it was a well-deserved break, you know. We went hard in 2022, and now we're about to go 10 times harder in 2023. Well, we already started going 10 times harder in 2023, but I'm speaking about or 2022. I'm talking about content-wise though. We're about to go crazy with content this year. Actual content too, chat. I feel like I've honestly, if I'm being honest, I don't think I've even given you guys like what I like on this channel. Okay, live streams or whatever, you know, but I'm talking about like separate content, like actually sitting down plotting videos. I don't think I give you guys like a glimpse of what I envision for content on this channel ever. Like, I had this channel for 4 years. I don't think I ever gave a solid video where I actually put like a lot of effort into. So that's my goal for this year. Because I have the ideas, I have the visions, I just feel sometimes I guess I'm lazy to do that, to create them, right? So like that's what we're trying to do for 2023. Actually give you good videos. I've been scripting videos myself, all of that stuff. So I'm trying to give you guys that stuff, you know, for 2023. But what up, man? What up? TVS, It's been a minute. Why is the alarm going off, bro? Yeah, it's been a minute, chat. It has been a minute. I have good news for you guys. So, good news is the website. Okay, it hasn't came yet. Okay, but it's not my fault. The guy told me, he last time I texted him, he said a week, and that was the 26th. So I messaged him to like last night, asking him any updates. So I give you guys an update once he gives me an update. But it's literally not in my hands, man. Like I can't do anything. But it should be this week or next week. I'm pretty confident. It's good though. Now we're all back. We're back in tune. You know, we got the website. But the journal, the spreadsheet, the journal you guys been asking for, the updated version. It's coming up. I have it here. Let me just let me just hide my screen real quick. Hold on. Okay, that is not hide screen. You know what? That's fine as well. Where's the full cam? Alright, there it is. Hold on. Let me just go on this one. Okay, I'll use this one. Okay, so give me a second, okay? I'm gonna fix this. I'm gonna fix this. Here's a spreadsheet. I'm gonna update the spreadsheet for you guys. Update the commands, all that good stuff, you know? Cause y'all ain't ready, man. So this is a trading journal for you guys. Okay, I don't need to do that. All right, cool. All right. Wait. Why did I switch cameras? I'm showing this anyways. Sorry, it's Monday. First day back. Yeah, your chat. This is the new spreadsheet. This is a new spreadsheet. I got the date wrong. Sorry, what? January 1st, 2023. What are you talking about? I got the date wrong. It's right there. 2023. No? If you refresh your page, you know, your computer might be a bit outdated, you know. So if you refresh it, it'll get the latest update of the website. I mean, of the YouTube. So that's why your date's wrong. Your computer might be a bit off, but anyways, look, this is a new sheet. All right, chat. The new sheet. It shows the main page, whatever, same shit. Use file, make a copy. Cool. Setup, same. Okay, the setup's gonna be a little different. Okay, if you guys have seen the sample size in spreadsheet, right? You guys have seen that, the sample size one. You know how you can add stuff to it, like you can add like whatever pairs. Now you can add multiple pairs to this shit. You can go like, let's say you overtraders want to trade like USD CAD. View only. Oh, okay. Yeah. See, let me show you guys my version, because this is the version for you guys that I gotta share a link to. You guys gotta make a copy. Yeah, if you guys want it, you guys gotta make a copy, okay? Go here, make a copy, and save it. But I have one already for myself, and the one I have has all the trades from last year. Okay, so here we go. Here's the spreadsheet, right? So it shows the record, the pairs, all this good stuff. Okay, anyways, let's go to here. Pairs trading. Let's say you're an overtrader. You want to trade like USD CAD, and then you want to trade GP CAD. All right, and then you want to trade GP USD, you know, and then you or other overtraders want to trade what do you guys trade? Euro USD, right? You can add, I think this is 4 to 50 pairs. You can add 50 pairs to the spreadsheet now. All right, you can add whatever you want to the spreadsheet now. So the first spreadsheet, which was the old one, you can only add 2 pairs, right? Because it was only to my trading, right? It was only it was made for my trading for me. But now it's made for a little bit. It's made for me, but it's still made for the public. And the public doesn't just trade GG and gold, right? So now you can do whatever pairs. Okay, sessions, you can do whatever. New York, Asian, London comics, whatever you want, whatever session you want to add, right? Asian opening, Asian close, London opening, London close, whatever you want to add, but you can only add a max of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So that's what you can add. starting balance, this can be whatever, you know, because it calculates now percentages. If you want to do percentages, let's say you have like a $1,000 account, right? So you put that there. We can read all this good stuff, you know. It shows you how to enter your withdrawals, how to enter your how to work the spreadsheet. Badger set all this up for you guys. So shout out to Badger. And then also, since last year, a lot of people had questions about the break-even trades. Like I personally count a break-even trade as a break-even trade, but you guys can count a break-even trade as a winning trade or a losing trade. It's up to you. You have the option here, a win or loss or not at all. I'm leaving it not at all. That's how I've been doing things. That's how I'm gonna keep things. Once I keep turning on. So yeah, this is our win rate for our stream last year. 75. You know, same shit. Nothing really changed here. And then we didn't calculate percentages last year, so that's gonna be a little something new we're gonna add this year, or at least for you guys. And you guys can add. I don't think I'm gonna add it to the spreadsheet. And then yeah, as for the journal, you come down to here. See, here's the thing about the journal, chat. It's kind of hard to make it like divide by months. So now you have one fat spreadsheet. It has 1,500 rows, I think, right? 1,500 rows, and you can add whatever. So let's say you take a trade today. Today is like 1/3/2023, right? You take a trade at like 7 a.m. And then I don't know. Let's put wait, I gotta put 7 a.m. Oh no, this is for me. Sick. Yeah, you pick whatever session. New York, gold. Let's say you take some sales today off the breakout, off, you know, the flip, 5-minute, right? Whatever. So that stuff that stays the same. Now what we added this year was we added the results. So this stuff right here is what you want to do, right? So total pips secured. Let's say you did like 45. And then it was a win. Amount secured. Let's say you had a $1,000 account, right? Going back to this. Yeah, $1,000 account. Where is it? $1,000 account. Let's say on this trade you made you made $20. Let's do 200. Just do 100. Make it easy. All right, so you made $100. It's not gonna show percentages just yet because it doesn't know how much you have. So let's say you take another trade. So the next trade is whatever. Say it's something like this. Let's say you did like 10 pips, and then you made let's say you made like $10. All right. So if you made $10 on the next trade, from now it'll calculate. So I think what you do here is you add on. You just add your balance here, right? You add your balance on the sell here, your current balance, and then you go from there. So let's say you made 10,000 that trade, you made 10%. The next trade, let's say you made 1%, or you made $1, you made 1%. The next trade, you make $5, you make 4.5%, right? So that's how the percentage thing works. I'm not gonna use that for the stream because it's kind of hard to keep up with that for the stream, but you guys can definitely add that to your spreadsheet. And then I think that's it. Yeah. And then if you go back to the stats page, it shows like the pairs. Right, you can change pairs. Like let's say you want to focus on gold. Like what was your gold win rate? You can go down to gold. You can select the year, 2021, 2022, whatever it is, to like, you know, this spreadsheet is for the next 5 years, so we'll update it then. Session, breakup percentage, like this stuff remains the same, I believe. But yeah, look, it shows your quarterly win rate now. By each month, it's a little bit more organized, so it's kind of cool. Yeah, kind of cool, chat. Kind of cool, not gonna lie. But that's the spreadsheet, man. So I know it's a little complicated at first, but I mean, you guys get the hang of it, right? You guys can easily work around that. I'm a little confused there though. Where's the journal? Okay, there it is. So let me just delete this. But yeah, that's what we're gonna use for now on. As for like the link, here we go. Let me just share the link. Or yo, is Circle, can you add it to the Nightbot thing? I'm gonna add it to the, I'm gonna spam it here though. You could link that. I'm gonna pin that. Okay, there we go. Cool. You good? Anyways, let's do this analysis, man. We're a little late here to the analysis, but we have time. We have like 10 minutes left for a 1 hour closure anyways. Pretty nice 1 hour closure. So chat, what we're gonna do here is we are going to, I want to wear a hat. This is light. You can use Notion. We already thought about that, but not everyone has Notion. And Notion doesn't have like spreadsheet stuff. You can't keep track of this stuff on Notion, right? Can you? This stuff's a lot more organized. This shows each percentage for each month to each setup. It shows very precise. I don't know if you do that on Notion. I don't think so, because this is Google Spreadsheets, right? We also tried to do what's the one called, chat? There's Google Spreadsheet, and then there's what's the thing called? Fucking Excel. But not everyone has Excel, so we try to keep it free. That's why that's why I kept it on Google Spreadsheet. Let's get to the analyzation though. For the charts, chat, real quick. So today you have no news today, obviously, but you have a pretty decent day today. I think December, I don't think there's one day where it was untradeable. I think every day of December was tradable, which is very rare. You don't get that, especially for quarter 4. I don't think quarter 4 slowed down at all. If anything, quarter 4 picked up. I think quarter 4 was our best month this year, or was personally my best quarter of the year. So I don't think it slowed down at all. And January 3rd, markets opened up and things are looking perfectly fine. You know, like nothing slowed down, nothing's changed. The markets are still moving normal pace. Yeah, but you have no news today. You have nothing to say, nothing to worry about. 9:45 minor news, 10 a.m. minor news. That's about it. Wednesday, tomorrow, you have ISM manufacturing PMI, Joe's job openings, FOMC meeting minutes, not FOMC interest rates chat, right? Don't get confused. And then 8:15 on Thursday, ADP non-farm employment. Friday you have whatever this is, unemployment claims, NFP, you know, the good stuff. And then 10 a.m. ISM services PMI. But yeah, that's what you got. Anyways, let's get to the analysis, chat. I honestly haven't touched GG all year or all quarter 4, and this year I don't think I don't know, but I haven't taken a trade on GG in a minute. It's been I don't think I've taken a trade on GG in like weeks. I don't think I've taken a trade on GG in weeks. Not gonna lie, it's been like maybe a month and a half plus. So, well, we can do the analysis though. That stuff remains the same, obviously. But as for me trading it, look, I haven't done an analysis since like, what day is this? This analysis is probably based off of yeah, I don't know, 23rd maybe? Man. Alright, anyways. Where's my Zoom? Where's my Zoom annotations? Why is my Zoom not being shared? And why is my Zoom link not being sent? How much time do we have left? 7 minutes? That's enough time. We'll speed through it, chat. All right, cool. So GJ for the weekly, for the monthly, actually, the monthly. The monthly is obviously bearish here, right? First thing you see is that we are bearish here. You are bearish because you have closed bearish, not because I think we are bearish. I don't think we are bearish. I just follow the current trend of the market. So market shows me that we're bearish here. I will be bearish as well, right? I am a bandwagon. That's why my picture today is Steph Curry. Bro, yo, you guys seen what's his name? Donovan Mitchell dropped 71 yesterday. Holy shit. Okay, we'll speak on it later. But yeah, look, we're bearish today. We have closed bearish. Back into this range here. If you look left, there is a support formed right here at 162. We are closing back below it, and therefore, if you are closing below it, there's a high chance that price has to fill the rest of the range here, coming down towards 150, 148. You have all this range to get filled for the month. All right, look left, you have all that clean traffic coming down. So like that's the monthly target, 150, 148-ish levels. You should be able to come down to fill the rest of the ranges. As for this top wick, I don't know if we're gonna create a top wick. It could not. You have 28 days left. That's a lot of days. So yeah, likely there's likely is gonna be a top wick. However, there's no guaranteed. This might just be a top wick price to drive down. Who knows? And we won't know how hard, we don't know when or how heavy this will drive down. Because you have 28 days left. It's a monthly candle, right? So it can drive down within the next 28 days. Who knows? Today, tomorrow, I don't know. The overall structure shows that we should be able to come down towards those levels at 149, 630. Weekly is obviously bearish as well. Looks like you're coming down pretty nicely here. I mean, not much I can say about the weekly. The weekly, one thing I could say is that it did close right at support. There is a support right around here or here. Higher level didn't close below. So at any given point, this candle could still flip bullish. I'm guessing since the weekly didn't close below, this week might not be the week that the monthly drives, because obviously you have 4 weeks in the month. And if this week's candle is closing respecting support, there's a high chance that this candle could flip bullish, create a top wick. And as it does that, that'll be a top wick for the monthly as well. And it'll do something like this for the week. So therefore, it may not drop down this week just yet, right? That's the thing about the weekly. The daily, who keeps turning the light off? The daily, I could say that I mean, you do have clean traffic coming down towards like 140, 154, 550. So you do have a chance to drop down today. I think we drove down, but we were like maybe 70 pips away, right, from tapping that support. But what you do on the daily was you just mirror this traffic to the left there. Yeah, support here, you close below here. And obviously with that being said, you had all this clean traffic to the left hand side to drive price down towards 154, 641. Now, obviously we're bearish today. So if I'm looking for sells on GJ, the thing about GJ chat is that I haven't touched GJ on the 5. I have never touched GJ on the 5-minute time frame. So I think as for GJ, like if we were to ever trade GJ, I would trade it as I normally would, or not normally would, but I trade as I did before with the same 1 hour high time frame structure. But I would say honestly, anything below this support here will be valid for sells. You close below 155, 461, you should come down towards next support. Look left, that next support. Let's move it down to here actually. Most recent support. You close below here, should be good to drop down towards like around these levels to the left here. I'll say it right around there. Right. The reason why I say there is because you're looking left for traffic, and this area is where you were bumping traffic at, right? This area, this area, this area. So that's the medium average of price. So you can say 154.733 is a level where you may start to react at if you do close below here. But yeah, anything below there is clean for sells. That scared shit out of me. The range going down is around 50 pips. 50 to 60 pips. All right, so it's not bad. Wait for a closure below there. Clean sales going down. That is not a range 2. That is a current range. And then as for buys, if you want buys to say, I'll say honestly buys above here. 156.952. Reason being is because that'll be a range 2 breakout. This will be your range 1. Range 1, range 2, right? So this is your range 1. This is your range 2. There's a resistance here. And this is your range 2 breakout. Anything above there to fill that right range to the left hand side. So anything above there is clean for buys going up, range 2 breakout. And then traffic, you have clean traffic until 157.963. Cool. That's GJ analysis. If I'm being honest, I don't think we're trading this today. Gold though, on the other hand, looks pretty good and pretty nice. You have 55 seconds for a 1 hour closure here. Looks like we are closing below the range. The thing about gold is for the monthly is that the monthly is pretty bullish. I would say the one thing I will say is that there is no bottom wick. I would expect the bottom wick before we drive up. But look left. If you take a close look, this is a range 1 fake out. And the reason why I say that is because there was once a resistance here, there's a resistance here. Right? Let me just change up the tools, make it clearer. This is a resistance. This is your previous resistance, right? So this is your range you're in. If at one given point we close below the range here and the overall trend is bullish, right? If you scroll left here, the trend's bullish. We've been bullish since like 2019, 2018, right? It's been one current trend. So if we are breaking back into the range here, there's a high chance that price will likely come up to fill the range here and tap like 1960, 2000 this month, because we're breaking back into this range. And obviously, every time you broke back into this range, what happened? Look left, price has came up to fill the ranges each and every given time, right? So in this case, close the support, came up, filled the range, close the support, made its way up towards the top of the range. So every time I broke back into the range, it kind of came up to fill the range because this is a range, right? It's a range for a reason. So I would expect like 2000 get tapped this month, like 1998. But anywhere in that zone, you obviously have 28 days left, so you could create a steeper wick before you drive up. Who knows? But overall, as long as price respects like 1747 for the month, as long as we don't close below there for the month, we should be good to drive up towards 2000. The weekly is bullish this week, I'll say as well. Very nice bullish closure. You have a resistance here. It looks like prices close above that resistance. So if you take a look at price now, look left, you have all this clean traffic until like 1875, I'll say 1874, 832, all that clean traffic to the left hand side, driving up for, I think that's 600 and let's see, no, that's 420 for 4,100 bips. Sorry, 410 pips. What am I saying? 410 pips. Sorry, chat, it's a Monday. But you have all that range driving up for the weekly. Again, for the bottom wicks, I don't know what's gonna happen here. We would expect a bottom wick, but again, we can't tell price what to do. If price wants to create one, it will create one. We will see it happen on a smaller time frame beforehand. If price doesn't, then it just drives up. But we'll also see that on a smaller time frame as well, right? So this is just the overall bias we're looking for, overall direction, overall targets we're looking for, where we still got to execute. And when we execute, we're looking at smaller time frame, right? The daily today is also bullish as well. You close above the range. My target today was honestly like 1740. Price tapped that session, tapped that during the London session. So my next target after that was maybe 1756. You still have room to drive up, but again, it comes down to a small time frame. At this point, you have no bottom wick. Things can get interesting here because you can anticipate that price may come down to create that bottom wick now, and that bottom wick is at 1823. So if we can drive down towards there, that'll be interesting. The 4-hour candle here closed just recently at 5 a.m. 2 hours ago, and it looks like it closed right at resistance, right? So there is a resistance here. If you take a look at price, 1739 or 1839, you close right below it. So therefore, you have found resistance. If you are finding resistance, what does price need to find? It needs to find support. Most recent support is at 1820. So if price does drop down towards 1820, what would that do? Create the bottom wick for the daily. Makes sense, right? See how I'm kind of adding things up right now. So that's what price will likely do. And as it does that, you can take sells on a smaller time frame. So the 1 hour here is smaller time frame. In this case, closing below these ranges here. You could expect this 1 hour candle to drive down and do something like this, as long as it respects the previous ranges. And the target is going to be 1828. So that's your next target. You have a 50 pip range going down, I believe. So if you take sells today, I believe sells could be valid. Let's see. So yeah, as long as you respect the 1836 should be good. Honestly, for me, let's see. What am I doing? So I'll say anything below 1831 would be clean for sells. If you break below 1831, you should be good to drive down towards 1828 mark, which is the next zone. That's the 30 pip range going down. So if I'm looking for sells today, I'll wait for a closure below here. Closure below here will be fine, and then we can drop down towards 1828. Cool. 1828, 1827, 42, anywhere in the zone will be fine, honestly. Because as you drive down, again, your target is 1820, right? So you have, even if you tap 27, you still have a 7 pip range going down still. But this is just the next target if you do close below. I was interested in the sells there earlier, as you were respecting a certain resistance, but I believe that resistance was here and you close above it. So if this kind of closes bearish back into this range here, there's a high chance this next 5 could likely drive down as a range 1 fake out and do something like this. But I believe I'm just gonna wait for a closure below 1831 here. Which Cool. Anyways, chat, I feel like we didn't talk today. So, welcome back. You know, I appreciate you guys for being here today. I saw the waiting room today. It was like 200 people waiting for the live stream to come back on. Yo, thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah, man. We're back. We're back. It's gonna be a great year, man. He's out locking in this year. A lot, you know, learning never stops, man. I think this year, honestly, for those that took a break in December, I'm sorry. I think December was, I learned quite a bit in December. December was one of my strongest months in terms, not in terms of profits, obviously in terms of that too, but in terms of profits and also in terms of just evolving. December has been a great month, or it was a great month for that. We've learned quite a bit, grew quite a bit. Yeah, but I think a lot of people are confused though, because they see us like touching the 5, and they think we changed our strategy, and we really didn't. It's the same shit, same closures above, same stuff we apply. It's just on a smaller time frame. But again, we're still using every time frame, all right? Like I'm still using the daily when I do my analysis. I'm still using the 4 hour, still using the 1 hour. Like I showed you guys how we're using the 4 hour here in this case, right? With the way that the daily has no bottom wick. Like we're still using those higher time frames to our advantages. We're just using, you know, adding another piece to the puzzle, which is the 5. That's how that is. All right. So yeah, I think all my trades for like December were off the 5, each and every trade. Like this was today, but every trade in December was off the 5. Oh. New Year's 30? Probably not. Maybe probably not. I don't see a reason to. I don't really see a reason to. That could change throughout the year, but I don't know. Like gold's fine. Like if anything, I just dropped the pair. I honestly think I personally, mentally, I think I just dropped the pair, and that was GJ. I don't want to say drop because I'm still trading it. It's just I haven't touched it in a month and a half. But like I'm gonna still see what we can do with GJ. I'm gonna see what we can do on GJ. But yeah, chat. Every position I had this month has been off the 5. If you guys take a close look here, all my trades have been off the 5. Each and every trade. Like this is off the 5 closure above the range, clean traffic. This is off the 5 closure above the range. This is off the 5 onion, come out to retest the highs. 5 entries there, right? Sells here, 5 minute here, 5 minute here. Like these have all been off the 5, like the whole entire month of December. But it's using the same concept still, right? Don't get it twisted, right? What's your position size? Well, my position size is still a 20 lot. I'm looking to increase it to 35 this month, or not this month, sorry, this year, right? But overall, like 20 start the year off. Obviously, we can't just off the rib jump. And then yeah, end of the year should finish off like 35 or something. Nah, not 40, maybe 30. So not 35, 30. Yeah, 30. 2020 it was 5. 2021 it was 10. 2022 it was 20. 2023 it's gonna be 30. It's not gonna be a double increase. It's just gonna be a 50% increase. So 30 probably. I mean that's for one position, right? I mean, in trades, I can still stack like 20, 20, 20, 20, whatever it is, right? Yo. Oh wait, yo, who chat. Who Yo, thanks for the 5 months. Yo, who hit a year? K, you hit a year, K? No, I lied. You hit it on January 10th. You hit it on January 10th. Yeah, January 10th when you hit that. Yeah. 5 more days, yeah. Yo, Justin, I definitely gotta do that. Trades on stream. I got okay. So here's what I want to add. I want to add trades on trades taken, obviously on stream. But I also want to add I gotta delete this. This is from the last day. We finished off the year with a bang too. Nice 10 pips. But I also want to add it's a nice 5 closure. Wow. Respect and resistance. I also want to add the paid signals record too. I want to add that stuff too. And the paid signals record is gonna be I'm gonna add like paid signals record and then the stream record, you know. So on stream and off stream trades, so you guys can see that like the difference, or it's the same percentages, but you guys can see how it looks. Yeah, December is great, man. Can't even complain. Then we had 6 losses for December, 22 wins. Amazing day. Or amazing month. Will we train USD this year? I don't know. I don't know. I don't have any plans to do so just yet. I ain't gonna lie. No, this chat came back the exact same. Hey, man. That's why I love DVS, you know? You know what I did, chat? I had 100K day this month, right? And I recorded the whole month. I recorded the whole trade. You know, you can take Austrian trades, but the thing about that is that I didn't want to just take an Austrian trade and people would say, yo, Don, you only win big off stream. So you know what I did? I recorded myself taking the win. Never done before. On a regulated broker. Never done before in history. So I'm like, I have the clip still. I just haven't uploaded it. I don't know if I'm uploading it. It's just like 5 hours long, man. It's 5 hours long. You know how long that clip is? Look at this. It's 5 hours long. Look, this is a 4 hour. This is a 4 hour video. The chat, it's not even me talking too. Like, don't expect me to be talking. If I make a clip, I think I'll cut it up. I'll put my commentary on it, and that's what I'll do. It'll be like maybe a 5-10 minute video, you know, at most. I think that'd be a good video, right, chat? You guys will want to see that for sure. The first thing I thought when I made that in a day, because I never had a day that big in my life, but if the first thing I thought of that day was off the rip, off the dome, Q banks. Because I got into FX in like 2018, and I think a year later, like 2019, that was when Q banks made 100K, right? And on his 100, he made 100K. He also hit 100K followers. So I'll never forget that day, because I was one of the most like, this is a good time in trading for me. Well, it was very nostalgic. That's what it was. It was nostalgic. So that was the first thing I thought of when I made my 100K myself. I'm like, wow. I remember when Cubans made this, and I was just started trading. And I was like, wow, I wish one day I can make 100K as well. And then I think 4 years later, or 3 years later, I made 100K in a day. Yeah, it's insane. That is insane. Yeah, that's crazy. Chat, man, I'm telling you guys, man. One thing I want you guys to learn to know is you will get to where you want to get to in terms of your capital, you know, your account size. You will get to where you want to get to. You just need to lock down the strategy first. Once you lock down the strategy, and it's not based off of luck, it's just consistent. It's infinite. Your lot size will just grow. That's all that's gonna change. Your lot size is gonna change, and your balance is gonna change. But your strategy doesn't change. No matter 100K account versus $10 account, it doesn't change. Once you get the strategy down, everything else goes up. But it takes time, right? That's like, don't be surprised though. Don't like, you know, don't be surprised, and also be like, you deserve it, you know, because sometimes it may feel like in trading, it may feel like you don't deserve anything. You don't deserve to win. But I mean, you do work for this stuff, right? It's not like you don't sit there and find ways to improve all the time. So whatever you make, you do deserve. Infinite money glitch. That's what I was looking for. Yeah, it's the infinite money glitch. But you need to tune your strategy first, and then it doesn't change after that. That was nice. Yeah, like, I'm not interested in buys here. I'm only looking for subs below like 1831. Like, I think for buys, I don't think I'm interested until maybe you form structure above like 35, but because you can still take buys off the daily, right? It's still a bullish day. What percentage make monthly average? Maybe depends. An average of, I'll say, 15% and 15% a month. Last month was a little different. Last month was a little overboard, but not every month the same, right? Not every month's the same. I don't aim for a percentage too, right, chat? Like, I don't aim for a certain percentage in a month. Last month I made almost like 80%, I think. No, sorry, no. I made, what did I have last month? 181. 181 minus 346. Yeah, I think I made almost like 100% last month. But not every month's the same, man. Like, I had months where I made 100% before, and then the next month after I make like 10%. But I don't aim for a certain percentage every day or a month, you know? There's no target. There's never a target. It's just kind of like, I trade the markets. It depends on what the market gives me, right? But there's never a target. I don't have days where I'm like, okay, I want 1% today. I need 10% today. Like, there's no target. Some days I get 5-10 pips. Some days I get like 100 pips. It comes down to the markets, right? No, I can't. What I mean by that is, like, you don't want to force it. You know what I mean? Like, you don't want to force like a account flip. You want the stuff to come naturally. Does it matter for a strategy to use a fixed lot size or set percentage risk per trade? Both. I risk a certain percentage. Maybe like 4 to 5% of my account, and then overall capital, 1 to 2%. So I risk overall capital. Up to the yearly monthly record. Thank you, Badger. Wait, Badger, is this singles one come today too? Yo, sorry, Badger. It was kind of. Oh wait, I gotta change this, man. I gotta change this. I gotta sit down today and change this, but yo, I think chat for this, the record thing, this is gonna be lifetime record. This is gonna be lifetime stream record, right? Like, lifetime stream record, something like that, you know, because why not? Why not? I mean, why would we just delete it? Like, why not, right? Just have it as lifetime record, and then we have a monthly record. Yeah, January. On-stream record. Or January stream record. Yeah, isn't Wixline gonna do this today too, chat? I think Wixline stream's gonna have records now too. Zero for the month. What's our record? 1225539. Okay, cool. First taking, and then I gotta do a signals one. I gotta make a signals one. 'Cause when you sign for Golden State, I got a 1-day contract today. Put me in the lineup tonight. I've been taking trades for years. Yo, Wix, where you at? You come today, right? Yeah, you come today. Tell me you come today. What up? What up? Wix 10. Paul. Okay. All the mods are here, right? Chat. I did a little mod filtering. I had to delete some mods that weren't active. So if you guys remember any from last year that you know that stopped talking here for a while, stopped coming by, they're gone. I'm gonna be very. I was already picky with mods, but I'm gonna be extra picky with mods now. Like extra picky. Only people who've been here for a long time. Yo, sorry, Mana. You know, Mana, you lost your badge because you were gone for like 3 months. You know, that 3 months, you know, that's a little wild. No notice, nothing. Just 3 months gone. Hey, man. You might get it back. Wixline got his back 3 times. Don't worry. And then now he's on the stream. So don't worry. It's not the end of the world. You have a chance to get it back. If you're a mod once, you're on the radar again. Like, you know, you're not off the radar. You're always gonna be on the radar to be a mod again. Okay. But I gotta see you come here every day first or something. Are you referring to me? Ken, you've been here for a while. Yeah. Thing is, people get modded. They switch up after. Oh yeah, I'm mod now. Cool. Now I could not show up anymore. Now you gotta work 10 times harder. Yeah, I work 10 times harder after you're a mod. Should buy 7:30. What time is it? 7:27? Oh, 23. They're making close bullish here. Yeah, you might get some buys. I'm not interested in buys just yet. Maybe 7:30. I'll let you guys know by 7:30. But as of right now, I'm not really interested in buys just yet. Yeah, if you're a mod now, you should be good though. Like if you're a mod now, I already did filtering. You guys are good. You know, all you guys circle, nav, mm. All you guys are good. Okay. Paul. Keyline, Kieran, yes, good. Where's Kieran though? No, yeah, Kieran, where is he? Did I see him today? I don't think he's back yet. I think he's taking another week off. No, he is here. I lied, he is here. Yo, K, you're back. So you took a month off with no social media. How did that feel? You missed a lot in December. I think December had a lot of stuff going on social media, man. A lot of BS on social media. So you took a month off. That was. Oh, you didn't hear the music? My fault. I was playing the whole time. I guess it wasn't loud. Lost 100 billion in one day. You need it for sleep? Fair enough, fair enough. Thomas kid didn't take got arrested. Bruh, so much stuff happened in December. Bonnie. But chat, honestly, man, when I was off stream and I was trading in peace and just sending signals out, it was the best time of my life. It was the best time of my life. It was just great. I mean, it was great. It was great. You know, send a signal. Don't gotta answer any questions. Why is this here? Why is that there? Man, it was great. It was a great time, man. It was a great 2 weeks. I will say. Very peaceful. You know. But it's even better now. Don't worry. Now that you have the chat back, it's even better. 10 times better, man. Like, exquisite. Are you only interested in sells? No, I'm interested in buys too. But I'm gonna need arrange like some type of arranged form here first. So you have the support here, but now you need to find a resistance. I mean, I guess you can say this is it. I'll say maybe above here later for buys. I'll be interested in. But as of right now, not yet. It could come maybe 8:30 or 7:30, 8 a.m. 10:45. We'll see. Chat, I've been looking at the 4 hour. Okay, so here's what I've been looking at. I've been looking at the last 15 of the hourly candle as well, right? Now, you know how we usually say the last 15 pulls back? And sometimes you may see it not pull back. I've spent a lot of time looking at it off stream, and I've noticed it only pulls back when like the 15 and 5 closes, like, you know, respecting support, or because if it closes below, usually that 15 will drive on a 5, on a 15, and it would just drive to the very last bit of that candle into the whole hourly candle closes, right? So that's something I've been looking at, or something I've been noticing. So I don't know if we'll account for the last 15 anymore as much. I mean, if you're new to that concept, you can just kind of come to the streams and see how we deal with it. And over time, as you gain confidence with that, the last 15 of the 4 hour or last 15 of the 1 hour and such, you can look to apply it. But I've noticed that it usually doesn't pull back unless like the 5 closes rejecting support or respecting, right? The last 15 of the 4 hour candle is a little different. That's something I'll still account for. But the last 15 of the hourly candle, like 8 a.m., 7 a.m., I'm not really, you know, accounting for as much. Or I haven't been accounting for it. Like I said, I believe 2022 or 2023 on stream will have more positions, but we'll see. First trade of the year, I win forever. Yo, we already got the first trade of the year last night in a single channel. I can't update a spreadsheet because I don't got a new spreadsheet, but yo, we got a win last night. I think it was 12 pips. It was clean. And also December, man, we've been closing full. I think 95% of our trades have been closing full in a single channel. No half closures, just full. Like close full here at 10, full here at 20, whatever it is. And that's been going a lot better for us, honestly. In terms of percentages, in terms of everything. I've been dealing with a lot of RR monsters, man. Like they're on me or something. Like everyone had a problem with me giving my opinion about RR, you know? I was fighting demons every night. I was also looking at quite a bit of cars chat that I want to get for my birthday. So I'm getting my driver's license like this month. Like by like January 15th I should have, okay, January 30th I should have it. But then I'm getting a car in April for my birthday. So I think I'm gonna get, I made the decision. I broke it down. It's either the Tesla Model S or the BMW M4. Now, so the car dudes, the whole chat is gonna yell and say, get the M4. I gotta make a decision. I have 4 months to make a decision, bro. Let me make my decision, okay? Let me think in peace, yo. Like the whole chat, M4. But yeah, so at first I wanted the 2019, 2021, because I didn't like the new grills, right? I don't like the new I like the old grills. And the old grills is looks like this, right? The old grills. The new grills look like this, but it grew on me. It kind of grew on me just a bit. I might just get the 2023 one. All right, bro. Yeah. Anyways, chat. Convo over. Don't care. Not looking. Stop yelling cars out. No. No more. G-Wagon? If we had a G-Wagon, write it off, yeah. Tap Tesla as the option. Tesla Model S. Model S. Yeah. This would be the smarter car to get. I think this would be a smart car to get. But I thought about, I'm like, yo, I'm young. I'm 23. I'm gonna get a Tesla eventually. Like, I'm gonna get it eventually. Might get like maybe after this car or something, but I need to have some fun first, right? So that's what I was saying. Like the M4 makes more sense. You be charging more than you be at the gas station. Yeah, the thing is, like, I'm in Toronto, bro. Everything's close. Like, I don't go anywhere far, chat. I don't go anywhere far. I'm in Toronto. Like, I'm in the center of Toronto. I don't go like the first thing I go maybe for a drive is maybe 30-40 minutes long. Like, that's it. And that's to get to the other town of Toronto. I'm in the center, so I'm near everything in Toronto, right? If I want to go somewhere, it'll be like maybe a 4-minute drive max, like to reach the very end of of Toronto, like the east coast or the west coast. I'm very close to that. It's not like I live in like buttfuck nowhere, right? If I live in the middle of nowhere, then you know, a little different. If I gotta drive 2 hours every day to get somewhere, it's a little different. But I think honestly, man, as for mileage, I'm gonna kill maybe like 10 kilometers a year, 15 at most. I'm not gonna kill that much. Or miles, sorry. Yo. Yeah, we got somebody special here. What's the deal, brother?
What's the deal?
What is the deal? We didn't talk all Christmas break. Nah, we did. Talk a lot about the 5, right?
Oh, the 5.
I think that's all me and Wick's talking about over Christmas break. Just the 5. Just
Yeah,
the
I don't think we
5.
had any other conversation besides the 5.
It's a beautiful morning, man. It's a beautiful morning.
Yeah, I mean, you think Don wished me a Merry Christmas? He called me up. He was like, yo, happy 5 minutes.
Nah, I
Happy
did.
5 minutes.
You know what year is it? Year of the Tiger?
Year of the Rabbit.
Oh, the rabbit.
Tiger was last year.
It's the eye of a tiger. Damn, year of the rabbit. What am I gonna do with a rabbit? Who was born the year of a rabbit? Chat.
I can tell you what the rabbits do. No, the year of the rabbit starts, I believe, on the 21st, not in February.
Yo, who was born a year in 1999, 87? I'm born a year of dragon, so I'd be flying high. What's so special with the year of the rabbit? Vigilant? Or vigilant? Am y'all quick-minded? Is a rabbit special? I'm 99. Not gonna lie, man. If I had to choose between a rabbit and a dragon, I'd choose a dragon. What are you, Wix?
What year of?
Aren't you year of a dragon?
No, year of the ox, I think.
Oh, that was last. No, that was 2020.
I think I was born in the year of the ox. $1976. Damn. You're an old man.
You're a dragon? 1976? Hey, that's good. Shout out to my dragons. We be flying high.
I got these dragons, yo.
They said if you're born a year of dragon and you were you'll be a special FX trader. LeBron told me that.
Tell him to shut up and dribble.
Yo, he dropped. Yo, you seen Donovan Mitchell drop 71 points? I think.
Yo, did you see the dude have a fucking heart attack during Monday Night Football yesterday?
No, I didn't see that.
They canceled the game in the first quarter.
Holy shit, he got a heart attack and
he made a tackle. He got up and he just
fainted,
collapsed.
right?
Just fell down.
Is he fine though?
I don't know. He was in critical condition last night. They made it was the first time I've seen like an ambulance actually pull out onto the field. They didn't use a stretcher, nothing. An ambulance actually just drove onto the field.
Holy shit.
Yeah, it was fucking nuts last night.
What's his name?
Oh
no, what team? What team?
The Bengals.
Oh, the Bengals. I was gonna watch that game
it was the not the Bengals. It was the Bengals versus.
Yeah.
He was on the other team then. DeMar Hamlin. There we go. Hamlin on the Bills. Because
that's messed up. That's scary, man.
I remember Burrow. I was watching it. He walks over to what's the quarterback for the Bills? Allen, right? Allen, I think. Yo, it's crazy. He makes the tackle, just gets up, and literally just falls back, like dead.
But
yeah, watching live was crazy.
I can't believe they showed it on TV.
No, they didn't show the replays on TV. That was pretty nasty. I didn't see it initially on TV. I had to go find it on YouTube. I'd be like, because they were talking about it for an hour. I'm like, yo, what the fuck happened? Stop talking about it. Yeah, it's on YouTube. That's how I found it.
Yes, dude. Up at AM. Patience.
You looking for buys?
No, I'm looking for sells below 1831 here. But I want to see. I'm looking at this 5 here. I want to see if we could. Oh yeah, you can't see the screen. I forgot. I want to see if because there's a resistance here, and if this 5, which 25 seconds won't close below, but I'm looking to see if we close below here for a range 1 for price to drop down to 1831. Not too bad. I'm looking for buys, but not yet.
You want to range one fake out on the 5?
Yeah, because the daily has no bottom wick, and as we're driving down the 4 hour and 1 hour here, as we close bearish in 4 hours well at resistance earlier, you had all that clean traffic to like 1820.
Then why didn't you look for a position on the previous 5 close?
Because it wasn't a closure below 1833.
Okay, that's what you're looking for.
Yeah, below here. 779. I'm looking for buys too. I'm interested in buys, but maybe above 36 here. I said it earlier, above 36 going up wouldn't be too bad. And at this point, the 1 hour broke the highs. Yeah, maybe above there. Let's see.
So, why is your level here, not here?
Because that was the most recent support. I mean, you close below here, you're gonna have a support right here.
Yeah,
Right.
off the rip, and then you have one off the rip below there. No.
No, you have at least 10, 15 pip vantage point to fill the ranges.
Well, then technically that's not really a range 1, because if you're dropping down on a 5 and on the smaller time frames, you're gonna break 2 ranges there. I'm down. But I see what you're saying.
What? But I see what you're saying. Nah, yeah, it's and also like the 30 was breaking the highs too. I really want to see the 5 just close below 33 there. Like you really need a strong closure below there. So I'm pretty sure we'll get a position today. I'm pretty sure we'll have a position today. Pretty confident. I mean, we had one last night. But as for today, New York session, I'm pretty sure we'll get something. Just don't know what time. Could be the next 10 minutes. Could not. I gotta let you guys know. Chat, I don't think we had a losing day in December, man. Not one. Why's my thing like this? There we go. Yo, are you streaming tonight, Wix, or nah? You're not, right?
No,
Why not?
I'm back on the 9th.
What's the difference between a knife and today?
So we already have plans for 2 of the evenings this week, so I'm gonna do like we're gonna do it today. Yeah, we're gonna start today, and then I'm not gonna stream till next week.
What's wrong with that?
I don't know. Just try to hit the ground running and just keep it going. Stream all year.
Yo, Wick, do you want a new spreadsheet? Yo, there's a link in the chat.
Yeah, I just saw the description.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna fuck around with it.
Pretty cool. Very neat. That's a little confusing, but at first, but
Yeah, like if you can't read, it's
yeah.
very confusing.
Like,
Like if you have
the
no
majority
knowledge
of
of the
FX
English
chat.
language, could be pretty tough here.
Can you explain your 4-hour trade? I mean your daily trade, your 100K trade. Yeah, I got a video coming for you guys. Don't worry. I got a 4-hour video. I'm dropping on YouTube. If you watch the whole 4 hours, I left a little note somewhere in the video, a little secret note. But you gotta watch the whole video. You can't miss 1 second of it. I dropped the note for 1 second somewhere in the video. It gives you a free course. Real
That's a
ones,
fucking lie.
real ones know where it's gonna be. Real ones will know where it's gonna be.
Go to every 5 minutes, chat.
Nah, real ones know. Nah, okay, I'm not gonna drop the whole video, but I'm gonna trim it up.
How
I'll
long is it? It's
explain.
4 hours and
It's
what?
4 hours and 47
That shit.
minutes.
I'm going to the 420 mark.
Yeah. Oh, wow, you got it. A lot of people. I drove 47K in drawdown. So the plan was, I think I asked a lot. I got a lot of DMs asking that, and I answered. I told you guys.
It's called confidence.
No, I was gonna withdraw 50K from that account anyways, and I ended up doing it. But I was gonna withdraw 50K, so I'm like, well, it's the last. I told Wix system it's the last day of it's the last week of December. You know, let's say I lose his trades here because I had a stop loss. Let's say I lose his trades here. I'll probably lose around 50 grand. And that was the amount I was planning to withdraw. I mean, I was still gonna make another withdrawal after anyways, but that was literally my plan going to that day. I was okay with that. That was my risk that day. I think overall, that was like maybe 10-15% risk. Not of the account. The account's a bit more, but overall, that was like 10-50% account risk.
Were you scared? Like, were you shitting bricks in drawdown?
No, because the daily was heavily bullish.
Confidence, baby.
Daily, I had to stop. I knew the daily account were flip bearish that day. It would just drive back down the other way. Where was it? It was right here. Right? 29th? Right? No. 20. Yeah, right here. The 27th, right? Or something like that. Was it 27th? Yeah, it was it. I think it was the 27th, yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's on video now, chat. Can't say anything about Austrian trades, huh? You ready to show yourself? No, chat. Think of it. If you had 100, okay, let's say you had, put in your perspective, okay? Like obviously, everyone's relationship to money is different, right? Your 50K could be my 50K could be your $10, or my 50K my 50K to you could be $10 to you, right? Who knows? So let's say you would have $1,000 account, and then you flip the account to, I don't know, 2,500 in Q4. So you made around 150% account growth. So you decide to risk $500 of that account. That's all that was. That's all that was from that perspective. Because I had stops below the difference in that is I had stops below a certain, I think it was the day low at the time. It was day low. Hey Chad, take a look at this, man. You have a 30-minute account closing or open up here, right? This 30-minute candle is respecting 1836 here. Didn't close above. Also barely a top wick as well. So if the small time frame 15.5 starts to form that range one fake out, you can start to head back down to retest the lows and tap 1832. You can wait for that to fake out, or you can wait for a closure below 1831 off of the 5 and 15 and such. So you can either wait for closures below the support here, 1833, or you can wait for a closure below 1831. It's up to you. You have clean traffic regardless though. Regardless if it's in this range or in this range. New website. The next 7 days, 7 to 14 days. Like I asked them for an update today. Like you know, asked for an update today, so we'll see. See yourselves. GJ, haven't touched GJ in a minute. It's been a long time. 156 400. Yeah, technically this is a range one. Yeah. Where's it the level from though? 400. Where is that? Off the 15. Resistance here. I'll say say below like 130 or something here. Let's see. You know, like I'll say these levels. Hi Santa. Yeah, maybe below. No, I can't. It's kind of hard. I'll say right now. I'll say 155, 321. You don't really have any like resistance here I can base it off of. You're going off of this, right? I prefer like below here if anything. 155, 862. Below there, yeah, that'd make a lot more sense. GG's not bad. GG has volume today. I think you moved today a total of 60 pips. Yeah, 60 pips on GJ. It's pretty volatile. Markets are moving today, chat. Moving. Gold's not too bad. Yeah, above one like 1836 here. Maybe 8 a.m. here, chat. Might get something. And you should fill probably like 838. Nice 23 pip range. Not too bad. You getting holiday today? It is. Eh? Oh yeah, it is getting holiday. So tonight, yeah. Yo, that is that spreadsheet the new one? Oh, it's a new one. Yo, thank you. Yo, thanks. Wait, what?
Badger.
Hey, circle. You change that circle? Circle. Yeah, change it. There's no stats here. That's the trade spreadsheet. Should be the other link. I'm gonna link it. I'm gonna link it. I'm gonna link it. I don't think you have to link for that. I don't think you have to link for that. Yeah. Trade. There you go. There's the trade one. Then journal. Journal should be good, yeah. Journal should be good. Yo, chat, by the way, chat. Yeah, fix the badger. By the way, chat. I've seen a lot of YouTubers and streamers using the spreadsheet, and they've been taking the DVS logo. That's what they did. They took the DVS logo, and they're like, "Yup, this is my spreadsheet." Funny thing is now, if you take out the spreadsheet, if you take out the logo, your spreadsheet is messed up. You can't use it. It's not functional. So if you're trying to, you know, if you're not trying to give us credit for the spreadsheet that we worked very hard on, Badger, and you know the community, you can't use it. So I see a lot of guys like on YouTube chat, on a lot of streamers, they're using the spreadsheet. They're just, this is all over the place. It's messed up. But
how about this? They're also using onion, celery.
Yeah, that as well. Oh, they're deleting that. They're doing what they're
channel.
adding shit in. I don't know what they're doing. But it has copyright now. You take out the logo, you're done for. You take out the main page, you're done for. It's locked. You can't do it. I mean, you can use it. Just give us. It's a spreadsheet, you know.
Dollar stole it? No, Dollar asked for it.
No, he asked for it. No, I'm not talking about those guys. Like those guys, whatever. Like, we're you know, it's whatever. I'm talking about people, just people that I've never even spoke to before. Like, Dollar, yeah, for it.
Competition streams.
People who like never seen a chat, never talk to me. I'm just like, yo, where's the spreadsheet from? Where's the spreadsheet from? I made it. Nice.
Yeah, sure you did.
$5. Oh, also, I'll have a donation link because all donations will proceed to Badger probably. I have a link set up. I'll try to set it up somewhere on a spreadsheet where if you want to like help out the person who created it, you can donate to him.
It's only fair.
Yeah, I'll go to him. I don't get a dime. I mean, I could get a dime.
Why would I take a dime?
I gotta take it down. We gotta take the whole thing.
Yo, Badger. Watch out for this guy.
Happy New Year. Yo, what'd you guys do for New Year's, chat? I was dummy lit. No, I wasn't dummy lit, but I was knocked, bro. I was knocked.
First,
I took a nap.
literally was the calmest New Year I've had in 20-something years.
Jonathan. 11 months. I swear it's 12 months.
Hey.
Hey,
11 months?
Hey.
God damn. God damn, G. You've been doing this on the low. We don't even realize it.
11 months, 9 months, Kieran. Yo, I gotta change the song, chat. What song should I change it to? I'm thinking of I had a song. I forgot what it was.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Is that not the song? Guess that's not a chat. Looks fucked up again.
Yeah,
Yo,
your kids out of school yet or no? Next week?
No, next week, yeah. But I'm kind of pissed. I got a whole soundboard and I can't use it.
Why?
I don't know how it's not working on your stream.
Oh, you gotta change your output audio. Oh, okay, yo, too much soundboards. You can't use a soundboard on my stream.
No, I tried already and nobody heard it. I was like, all right, no reaction. That means nobody hears it.
Nah, you could you gotta change the output audio. I don't know how. I'm not an expert.
Where on the stream deck?
I don't fucking know. I said I'm not an expert. You can't ask me. I don't know.
No, not the output. The input, you mean?
Not the output. The input is you speaking. Output is it coming out.
Yeah, but it
right?
comes out in my headphones.
Exactly. Out.
I need it to go into my mic.
It's what you want people to hear, not what you want to hear.
Right? No, it's what it's where I want them to hear from. So.
Exactly, the output.
Input.
Is the output.
Right.
The input is you hearing you okay.
Is what I'm saying, right?
Well, what you're saying to me right now is input, yeah. Like goes in my ear, input.
But when I also tap the soundboard, it also goes as an input because that's an input.
No, so it's output.
No, you hearing it is an output.
Exactly.
Yeah, I'm switching the audio for the mic, not for the.
So, but when you play for the stream, you change the output, like to where it comes out at.
I hear it already, right? So the output is good. I need. Yeah, the input. There we go. David's on input, but there is no input option in the stream deck. It's only an output.
That's right.
Option.
You need a Go XLR.
Yeah, but the stream deck's set up for this too. Like the Go XLR has a mixer, but I have a mixer. I have a digital.
You know
mixer.
what it is, man? You gotta figure out if there's a separate sound for the stream, and you gotta change it to that. Like, if there's a separate sound for the stream deck. Like down here in the
like the stream
drop
deck
down
itself
sound.
is an input.
You need to output the sound to your mic. See, that's what I meant.
Input. The mic is not an option in the output drop down. God damn it.
My head hurts, yo. It's called an output.
Just put it in that.
Yo. You can get a software. Oh yeah, you can get what's called banana what's the shit called? I used to use it.
You know what I have?
Banana sound, some shit like that. I forgot what it's called.
I have a bunch of things. I have Audacity. I have
Audacity is good too. Audacity is not for like a mixer, right? You need an online mixer like banana. What's that shit called, Chad? You guys know banana something.
I know nothing about no bananas.
Voice meter, virtual banana, voice meter banana. You get that. I used to use that when I had a MacBook. Before I had a mixer.
Voice meter
Roll
banana. A mixer is good if I have a separate mic, but my mic's not really.
Onion gold? No, I'm not taking the onion gold. I'm gonna be taking the closure above 1836 here. You can take the onion gold. I think stops are around 43 pips here. 43 pip target. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. The 1 hour did close bullish here at support, and it closed also. If you guys take a close look, the 1 hour also closed above the most recent. Yeah, so you can get the wick fill, but I want to see if you can close above 30 at that level there, above 36 here, and you can take buys going up. If this 5 here, okay, you see how there's a resistance here. If this 5 close above there, I'll be fine with that. If this one right here was above there instead, and it did something like this, I would have been in, right? But there's a amount of resistance there, so it's either above there or above here. Probably gonna be above 36 here for me.
The range there,
and we can have stops below this low later. 30 pip stops, something like that. Not too bad.
But realistically, you're looking for around 12 pips here.
Oh, it depends what the market is. One thing I came across is I found a better way to explain it. It's like if you're in a trade, right, and your plan to you're like their RTPs are not set TPs, like they're just like where we're planning to have them at. But if your TP is, let's say 30 pips, and you get 15 pips within a minute of that candle, you have a decision. And price to tap amount of resistance, you have a decision to close and just take profits. Because if you had an initial target for 30 pips in the first minute or so of that candle or that push, give you half of that range, you might as well just take it all and onto the next trade, right? And that's something a lot of traders don't really like to do because they like because they here's the thing, a lot of traders aren't confident, chat. They're not confident in their trading, and therefore what they'll do is they'll try to milk every trade. Like every trade, let's say they're in a trade and they'll be like, okay, I don't want to close here because I want to see you price and tap my target, and my target's like 120 pips. Like they want to milk each and every bit of in that trade, right?
You guys don't think another trade will come around?
Yes, because
you guys really think this is it.
Because a lot of traders aren't confident yet. Like they're not confident enough to say, okay, I'm grabbing this, I'm taking profits here, I'm taking my trade, and then I'll wait for the next setup to come, because they're not confident enough to say that there'll be another setup that'll be the same. So that's why when they're in that trade, they'll try to milk the fuck out of it. They wouldn't just let it go, take profit, and on to the next trade.
It's a very good point. You guys aren't confident that another trade like this will come around. You guys don't understand that this, maybe not enough sample sizing is what it is, but you don't have enough confidence that your trade will pop up again in about a half hour, or that you guys think, oh shit, I found a trade. Now I gotta milk the fuck out. Don's right. Like if you guys are milking trades, then that's just stupid, because the next trade is right around the corner. Why milk this for everything it's got and take a massive risk when you know you're gonna get a next trade? And a lot of you, we know we're gonna get a next trade, and a lot of you, I guess, what Don is saying, don't have the confidence that the next trade is coming, that you will see a next trade. There's going to be another setup, but you're too emotionally attached to the current setup. Should be no attachment. Should be one night stands, one trade stands.
Yeah, on to the next trade.
On to the next really quickly. Yeah, I agree with that. It's a very good point that you guys just really try to milk a trade because you're not confident the next trade is coming.
The next opportunity is coming. Like, look, chat, this 5 close above the range here. So I'm just gonna take a buy here off the 5 closure. Market execution. I can have a buy stop and a break at highs, but market execution, stops are probably gonna be below here, and targets are probably be above here. That's the trade that I'm in right now. All right, so that's what I was waiting for. Just pop the 20 lot. Stops are like I think around first candle. So this is like maybe around. I think this is like 1.5% risk. I'm pretty sure of the account. Overall capital is a lot less, so it gives room for us to potentially add more positions. But I'll let you guys know when I do that, if I do that.
I mean, you don't really have to set the stops, but overall,
Yes.
coming down to these areas and breaking these lows, there's nothing stopping from coming all the way down here, below here, right?
37, 33.
Roughly these areas for stops.
33, target, 18, 41. Yeah, because I was waiting for a closure above there, and in most recent support just closed above, right? And my stops are going to be above, below the previous zone, because Wixon just explained it. You break this low here, you're probably going to drive down further down, but as long as you respect that low, you should flip bullish at given point, right? Our stops 1730, 1833.15.
Is your thing lagging?
No, train view is lagging.
Oh, boom.
Yeah, train view is lagging, but this thing is not.
As soon as you closed the pub, I clicked buy and I was like, so you're not gonna enter a trade here? And then you're like, all right, well, I just took a trade.
Yeah, okay, it just closed above. I couldn't react quick enough. Can't just gotta. That's why I've been just market execution. I just gave a signal though for buy stops. The thing about signals, I gotta give like sometimes there might be a little delay.
Well, now they have the buy stops over the current high.
Yeah, Chav, if you have to enter quick enough, then you wait for the break above the highs, right? You break above this high, should be good to drive. Buy stops above like 1837, right? But usually with the 5, the reason why I just market executed, because usually with the 5, I wouldn't really see price create bond wicks, top wicks like that. The whole wicks thing doesn't really come into effect with the 5, from what I've noticed.
But here's the thing. Now we come down to here, these levels, we don't break them, and we come back up above here, taking another buy, right? Adding a position.
On the break of the highs, you can add in position, yeah.
And what if you come back in this range?
Well,
back above here once you close below here.
What do you mean? If you close bearish below here first, and then you close back above for the onion?
Let's say we see this candle here for an onion.
Yeah.
Right? It comes down here. We form an onion right here.
Mm-hmm.
Right? So we can't.
It's just saying, just like.
Would you add the position here, or would you add the position
well,
once it comes back up?
If it closes above here, closes above 35, yeah. It has to close. If it closes below, it has to close back above. Yeah. So if it closes like the way you drew it,
exactly.
Yeah, I would. Yeah.
Well, it's not my question. It's just my breakdown. I would add another position there based on what we're doing.
Yeah. There I would.
And at that point, once you come back to the level of your first position, you could probably close everything out, because then you're going to be
back in profit.
In profit on your second position.
Yeah. Sounds like, how come you and Raja always win trades off stream? Hey man, I don't know, but I don't know why you stream hopping for, but I won my biggest trade off stream. It was in a 4-hour video that I recorded, so I don't know, man. I'm always speaking for myself.
And it's not on your own broker.
I don't know what to tell you, man. I don't know. Ask other people. I don't know. First trade of the year, Chads. Get it. Let's see what happens. We are flipping bullish out there, bottom wick. So I believe at this point, a lot of people's buy stops would be in will be about to be activated. I'm pretty sure for a lot of people. This 5. I mean, what time is 8? This 15 closes in about 5 minutes. So 5 is about to close here in 4, 3, 2, 1 seconds. I mean, this 5 is closing respecting, so that's great. Just about to pop on this next 5.
No bottom wick. No bottom wick.
The
Just dry.
15 closing 4 minutes here. You probably want to see the you probably want to 4 out the close bullish, obviously above 36 here. You have like 4 minutes left for that, so let's see what happens. We might be up by beforehand. Who knows? Why does it keep doing that, chat? The positions here wasn't bad earlier on, so I mentioned to you like 34. That range going up was a nice push. That was 23 pips. You'll be up by now probably. 1840 important. Yeah, that's why our TP is around like 39, 40. I know we're in the zone. At like 1830, this level right here, chat. By the time we tap this level, we'll manage risks, BE and such, all that good stuff. Did you just tap it? No, he didn't. He came up to 18. Yeah. Probably once you break the highs, like this level right here, 8th and 38.09. At that point, we'll just manage risk.
Trying to mirror the candle to the left, the red one.
Yeah. That's where you had traffic, right? Or honestly, 38 is your ideal target. The 1 hour candle is what I've been using for traffic. That was the main idea behind it. 38, 971 could be a target. At this point, we'll just manage risk here though, because there is a amount of resistance here.
Should pop here to fill that candle and then.
Yeah. All right, chat. At this point, stop's gonna be a break even on that trade, and let me see what happens here. This count has no reason to flip bearish if it wants to drive up here now, right? How big are spreads? 1 pip, 2 pips. All right, chat. Let me close the full positions right there. Of my positions, and then we'll have more positions potentially once you close above like 1839, maybe above there later on. But that's my position for that trade. Price could reject her, who knows, could come back to the BE point, who knows. But we may get more positions, like maybe 820 comics. I'm a little interested in that too. 820 comics is about to come up in about, I think 7 minutes here. So
stop marrying your positions.
Yeah.
You only know them bitches for like 5 minutes. Stop marrying them. You're gonna get another one.
Gotta send this signal.
Damn, I haven't looked at a GJ chart in like a month.
Yeah, chat. That right there, chat, is all I've been doing for December. Literally all I've been doing for December. It's
You close full?
Yeah, I closed full. I haven't been closing half at all for December. I've been closing full all my trades. I've been getting roughly like 1 or 2 trade ideas a day, you know. So this is one idea. I'll probably take another trade later on. Maybe 9 a.m. opening, maybe 8:30. Who knows? And then that would usually be my day after.
Super session.
Could be a super session if you get runners, but yeah,
No,
look, we would have hit break even. Like, I don't want to hear anything about R because this is another example, right? This would have hit break even. What are you gonna say now? You didn't hold on? Why didn't you hold? The R wasn't positive. You just, like, I think with the targets, you just kind of have targets here, stop loss here, stop loss for protection, target for your initial target, but within the trade you can close whenever you want, whenever you feel comfortable, or whenever price seems to be rejecting. In that case, price was kind of reacting here. If it were to push, it would have pushed by a 3rd attempt after it broke the highs, but I broke the highs 3 times. Didn't really push towards like 39. So at that point I knew that price may reject. So I decided to be safe and close off my full positions, right? I understand that I can get a new position at like 8:15, 8:30 once you close above 8:39 instead, right? So that's what I did in that case. But yeah. Not bad, Dave.
A bunch of people will be sitting holding drawdown.
Yeah.
Not real. Like, why? Well, I'm only in that trade 30 seconds. I need to feel like I'm in a trade.
No, you don't.
No, your pockets need to feel like you made money. That's it.
My camera fell off. Or not fell off. Doesn't work.
Where that shit fell off.
Shit. What's wrong with my camera, man? I need to get a new camera. I don't know. There's warranty on this, so I'll be good. But wait, hold on. What was the camera there for the video though? Should be right. Yeah, the Sunshine got 11 there. They gave him a little. They closed a little later due to the delay. How did I? Okay, so stream record. Okay, so we got buys. Yeah, I'm surprised. We got sells first today. Off the sells earlier. The buys breakout 5.
I will say this: you got to be incredibly fluid to trade the smaller time frames.
Flip. Oh, close half, none, close full. 9. Just got 9 there. Initially. Cool. Yeah, chat. Pretty cool. You can add to your spreadsheet, your journal, all that good stuff for you. You have 4 minutes for comics open here. So this is when things get interesting. Yo, Wick, did you enter, by the way?
Yeah, 10 flat.
Nice. Yeah, so now you have the option to call it a day or chat, or if you want to be another cowboy, risk half your profits or whatever and take another position. It's up to you. Whatever you want to do.
Comics are those cartoony books.
Comments gonna be interesting here, by the way. You close above here. Comments count should likely continue up. You're looking at the thing is about this is that the 1 hour is tapping resistance here. That's one thing I don't like. But I'm trying to figure out why the 4 hour candle did what it did. Because earlier I said how there was a resistance here that was being tapped, but it wasn't a resistance. I would get it if the 4 hour candle respected support, but the 4 hour candle closed at resistance, right? There's no respecting here. I'm trying to figure out how come it's flipping like this. I'm guessing looking at it now.
Look at the daily.
Yeah, daily's bullish though, right? I'm guessing looking at it now, daily's, because I expected the 4 drop down and create the bottom wick for the daily, but I guess it's off of this level. And if that's the case, you're looking at like 1843, 1844 next for the targets. If the 4 count flipping here, in that case, you can probably take positions.
I'm gonna fill the daily wick.
Yeah. Well, the current daily wick to re-break the highs. And if that's the case, then.
But you'll see closures here right now on the smaller time frame.
Yeah, like, well, that's not what I'm trying to see though, because the small time frame you'll see closures for sure, but the 1 hour candle is where I'll have trouble at. So I don't know if I'll get in our position here, chat, just yet. Maybe 9 a.m.
Because you want to see 1 hour clean traffic, right?
Yeah.
Smaller time frame.
Yeah. You want to see the 1 hour clean traffic.
Yeah, that'll make complete sense.
All right.
I love it. I love it. I can't wait till fucking I'm on stream.
All right, camera should be good now. I fixed it. I'm using this setting.
Nope.
I'm using this setting. Forget it.
Oh yeah, there you are.
Yeah.
Yeah, down looking crispy. Yo, you look like your face needs to be on a dollar bill, dog. Looking crispy. You've had a really restful New Year's. I know it.
I slept, yo, the day after New Year's, I slept for 12 hours.
Yeah, I know.
12 hours, man.
You look rested. You got that fucking Neutrogena face going on right now. That boy used, yeah, that boy used Stridex. I know it.
What's Stridex?
Get rid of all your pimples.
You know what I use, bro? I use a chemical called H2O.
I call that shit water. Yeah, baby.
H2O.
Gatorade.
Just the thing real quick. Oh, it's on my MacBook notes. Yeah, comics open there. You had a nice pop. I would have been fine taking positions on comics, but this thing moved 13 pretty nicely. But the issue with this is just the 1 hour. There's a resistance here that I'm pretty cautious about. So I'd rather stay out.
It closes.
Yeah, until it closes probably 9 a.m. is what we're looking at. Maybe 8:30. I mean, if it pops further up, passes like 1842, and then we pop like at that point, yeah, you can take positions beforehand. But if it just stays in this zone like within the next 20-30 minutes, like there's no point. I might as well wait for the 1 hour close.
Yeah, because you're looking into the last 15 of the four. It's not even like the last 15 of the hourly here, right?
Yeah.
Like where it's 7:55, you could have taken a trade, or 7:50. But like this 4 hour here, so that's a lot of confluence and a lot of information in a 4 hour close.
Yo, by the way,
But by the way, though,
I need to add on the spreadsheet here real quick.
damn son, you been hitting the gym?
That's a real picture, no edits.
No
Yeah.
edits.
No edits.
What?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, I didn't even know you had a tattoo.
It's been crazy. Yeah, what time's that trade taking at?
It's kind of went crazy for New Year's.
8:05. Yeah, chat. Start the year off with the W, you know? I don't think we lost the first trade of the year ever. I don't think so.
I mean, it's only been 2 years, 3 years.
Well, that's a
We
lot of
only
years, yo.
We only have 3. We're 3-0, chat.
I'll say 8:05 that trade, right? 8:05, something like that.
Hey.
What's the 5-minute win rate? First of all, I gotta delete this here. Don't trade that. Don't trade that. Or we'll add it for now, I guess, for clickbait. Gold.
Undefeated for the year. I say we call it a year right now.
Yeah, we have an 8% win rate right now on gold on 5-minute time frame.
No, yeah, we're 100% for the year.
Oh no, for the year, yeah. Lifetime though.
We call it a year right now. We good. 100%. Undefeated, baby. Never lost.
Yo, Badger, how come June shows 170%? How do you make a? How do you have a? This is wrong. I think these. Oh, Badger, I think the month the pair thing is off. It shows we had 170% win rate. That is impossible.
Or you can't even do that on your own broker.
Hey. Hey.
I do this one by my own day.
A minute.
What's your 5-minute win rate been last month? $150,000.
December? December?
That's his win rate.
I gotta do the math.
$150,000. That's all you need to know. Don't be asking why. Ask how. That's it. That's what pisses me off. Why are you doing this? Because this shit made me money, bitch. Now ask me how. Fuck.
Wait. Let's see. This position would have been 18. Oh wow. If I had a position there, close. Oh. The thing, Chad. The thing about me adding positions on stream. Honestly, off stream, I probably would have had one. But on stream, it's kind of hard for me to calculate that for the record and stuff. Like, how do I like chat? Like, how am I gonna add it to the spreadsheet as a second position? Because what I've been doing was I just been given the first position, and the signals are all on stream. I'm given the first position, and then the second position and third position I'll be adding myself. So I wouldn't count them as the initial position. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, since we're looking to add more positions nowadays when it comes to the time frames, or when it comes to the spreadsheet. What I put position 1, position 2, position 3. How do I count it as like a record? Like, I don't know. I don't know what to do.
The fuck the stream, just trade.
For real. That's how it was. Separate. Because I don't think win rate matters when it comes to like second and third positions. Because sometimes, like majority of times, my first position could be in profit, second could be in negative, third could be in profit, and the whole overall combined could be in profit. That's why I don't know how to calculate it. You know. What a great day though, chat. Not bad.
Deeper wick. Well, depending on the situation, either liquidity grab or reject off a valid level.
Yeah. Like in this case, you see how there's a resistance here on the MT5 right here, chat. So in this case, like this 5, I wouldn't take positions here if we close above, but this 5 does something like this, creates a steep wick like that, and then closes above. I'll be taking that because it comes down and taps the most recent support first. I'll take on the opening. Like that's an example of me waiting for a steep wick in this case if I were to look for positions.
So you have your advantage point where it rejected off of. So now you have more confirmation that there enough liquidity was grabbed to drive. Otherwise, it would have driven before it reached that vantage point. But that's what you call it, advantage point, because you see when it reaches there and starts to drive, that means enough liquidity was grabbed. So you can use that to your advantage. Put the story together.
Yeah, we have signals. I gotta make a spreadsheet for it. And we have signals. That's how it went. That's how 2022 went. Yo, wait, how fake accounts messaging people nowadays?
Wow, tell me about it. And you know how many people have asking me for refunds in my DMs? I'm like, what the fuck are you talking about? What refunds? I don't sell anything. I don't have a course. I don't sell you a membership. I don't do no one-on-one anymore. Like, I don't do none of these things
anymore.
No, I mean, I had my own people, but like, you know, it's like, I don't do none of these things. But then I get like DMs, yo, are you gonna refund me? I'm like, what the fuck is you talking about? And there's like hundreds of them. Like, damn, this many people got scammed. That's crazy.
Yeah. I don't know.
Yeah.
Where people's heads are at.
It just shows how many of you try to make $5, $5,000, right? Like that. Like that shit going around last year. I will not reach out to you. I won't sell you nothing. We will stream and we'll vibe out together on stream. If you guys are paying a different Wix 9 for anything, you better ask him for a refund. Yeah, fake wicks making more off views than I am. That's crazy.
That Facebook account got more viewers. They got more followers
You know what I'm
than.
saying? Can I get the guy to run my page? Like, what the fuck? Forget the fake page.
You know
come
it's all
run
free
my
promo
page.
though, right? Because they go the way to message each and every person, so it's free promo.
She moved out of state and shit that went left. She seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone and started for business.
Crazy.
Oh, this is great here. Look at this chat. 30-minute close above. And this 5 is interesting. You honestly
I'm
close
back
like
up close about.
yeah. So you have you're forming right now what's called a support here, right? Right around here. So if you can close respecting the support and then close above these levels here, you can take 5s going out technically. The only issue is just the 1 hour time frame. Like there's just that resistance there. Therefore, I probably won't take it. But if it wasn't for the 1 hour, I would have, you know, this 5 closes back above the range like this. I'll take another position, 100%. 835, 840 ish, right? And that'll be the position I'll take. But I have to wait for 9 a.m. here, to be honest.
Honestly,
That was a steep wait.
you'd want this candle realistically to close bullish though on the 5. There you
Yeah.
go.
30 closed clean too, but I think even if we were going back to taking third mid positions here, the 1 hour time frame is just that resistance. And there's a resistance here. Like if this wasn't here, this 1840.251, I'll be
Yeah,
fine.
that's a clean candle.
Yeah.
Okay.
But if you clear this now, I'll be fine. You gotta clear 1842 first, and then we'll figure out the rest. So that's my issue. Oh, leverage 100.
Never even been close.
Yeah. Yeah.
What's the percentage stay on your leverage when you take a trade?
Wow, I didn't see that last one. Oh no. What's the average percentage? You just was like your margin or your margin level?
Mine's just like 10,000%.
Okay, remember the days when your margin should show like 70%?
Remember the days when you'd look at the margin and then it turns red? Yeah, there you go.
You need like it was like
fuck.
70%, 50%.
About to it's
I
about
can't
to
add
close
more?
one
What
of
do
my
you-
15 positions.
What do you mean I can't add more positions?
Damn, it's gonna clap my worst position out of all 15. Damn, I just got clapped.
How comes
done.
you are looking for a 1 hour when we just had a third closure? Because the 1 hour is a higher time frame, and the 1 hour candle, if there's no clean traffic on the 1 hour, how will a 30-minute time frame, the 15 and 5 have clean traffic, right? Which is a small time frame.
And this 1 hour is also the 4-hour close.
Yeah, I mean it could drive here, but as for comfortability, and as for confirmations, you probably want to see the 1 hour have clean traffic before you take a position on a small time frame, right? That's the thing. A lot of traders like they don't really get that. Or a lot of traders are confused with the 5. They think that it's just the 5 and strictly the 5. It's not. It's still the same higher time frames. Like don't think every 5 that closes can't take a position here, can't take a position here. You know. If 30 closes, you focus on 30. I mean, hey, I ain't stopping you from looking at 30.
If the 30 closed, you'd look at the 30 and have every other time frame in mind, right? You'd want all your time frames to line up, realistically. Ideally.
The good thing with the 1 hour close is if the 1 hour closes here in about 25 minutes, you see how the 4 hour closes, and you'll see if it closes bullish or bearish here on the 4 hour. Because if you close bullish here, then that means there's a support at 1838 that's being respected here, clearly. And then we have beautiful buys. booty full buys.
And in the 5 minute, you have to switch it up a little. You have to be more fluid because I think you just need more experience because you have to take more time frames into consideration. But the equation's still the same.
Yeah, yo, Trav, you asked me for signals. I got you. Just give me like 5-10 minutes. Oh, you should be in now at 5 if you just whatever earlier today for everyone. But yeah, sometimes I'm just not awake to add you. But when I'm awake, I'll add you. Don't worry. Like, I have a list of this. I get notifications. Yeah, Ken, don't get like. Trust me, bro. Just because I'm doing something, just because I'm asking something new, doesn't mean like you have to be like you have to be confident right away. Like it takes time for you to be confident yourself first too, right? So that's why I say sample size for yourself first before you start taking positions. Like when Uncle Ted came to our live streams and I introduced us to comics, I didn't just next day take comics positions. It took me like 8 months, right? Like now today I'm taking comics positions, but took me 8 months of me just sample sizing and back testing before I went in myself and took comics position openings. Just because someone else said something doesn't mean it's valid for myself, and it's good necessarily, right? So you need to find a way to make it work for you, make it make sense for you in your head before you take positions.
Same thing with everything. Sample size. Drop down your lots if you're not comfortable. Sample size. Hi guys from Paris. Well, Laurent, we never doubted you. With a name like Laurent, you are definitely from Paris. Your first name must be Yves.
Yves Saint Laurent.
Yves Saint Laurent, right? You definitely from Paris. You didn't even have to say that. You just been hi guys. They're like, hey Paris.
My name is Don.
Hi, my name is Jeff.
Yeah, you see those 1 hour counters just rejecting that resistance there, just reacting on this level. That's an issue. And that's how we stay out. That's how we stay out. But it sounds a banger. I remember this song. Happy New Year! Yo, Happy New Year, man. Chad, do you guys believe in New Year's resolutions? I think I stopped believing in New Year's resolutions by the time I turned like 18. I'm like, yo, what's the point of New Year's resolution? Just fucking
believing yourself. You stopped believing your own promises.
No, I just stopped having promises for a new year. Just start today. Start on the 31st, the 29th.
Yeah, you don't think the shit works?
No.
Who knew? It's crazy.
When I was younger, I was like, yo, what's my New Year's resolution? Because in school, they make you write that shit down. They're like, write down your top 10 New Year's resolution. You know, and just like, what's the point of New Year's resolution, man? A fresh start? You're living the same life, man.
Bitch, I don't want to start. I was having a really good year last year. I'm trying to continue. Shit, I call this 2022 still. I don't give a fuck.
I think I learned that from trading, though. Like, a lot of traders wait for the first of the month to go hard. Why not just go hard here? Or why not just be disciplined here? Why do y'all wait, not be disciplined for the next 5 days and then start being disciplined in 10 days when it's new year? Like, you know what you need to do to win. Why would you not want to win today? Like, you're wasting days here, bro.
New Year's resolution is for procrastinators. Yeah, it's the #1 time management problem in the world is procrastination. Stop procrastinating. People are wasting time. Gold buys W? Yes, 1 W for the month.
Full closures.
You might want to update the record.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Gym been busy as fuck.
Yeah.
I know. I've been going to the gym. There's a bunch of people that I've never seen there. Even the employees. There's a fucking bunch of employees that I've never seen that are like, you know what? Today I'm gonna show up. New year, new me. Who this?
Don't they got like a huge, massive like people applying for the New Year's thing, or a lot of people are applying for the pass.
I don't know, bro. But every year it's only like that till like the 10th of January, 15th of January. After that, it's back to normal.
That's why I wait.
Nah, I ain't waiting shit. I come in there, I see all the new people, and I make sure that they're demotivated to come back in. I'm like, no, this bench gonna be busy for the next 4 hours. I'm trying to get people never come back in there. I'm walking around dropping weights, sneezing, all this shit. I don't want nobody coming back to the gym. I'm trying to have the bitch empty to myself. I'll be walking around, yo, pass me the 15 and just throwing the 15 at people. Here, put this back. It ain't heavy. I'm just trying to have some space, dog. I know these people are not gonna be there. Trying to get them out. I'm trying to weed out the fakers real quick. Stepping on I be doing pull-ups, and if somebody walking by, I just let go. And just drop. Make a grunting noise when I be lifting heavy and shit.
It's not funny.
Luke's gonna trade GJ in the evening? No. I will trade gold though. Screaming better than grunting. Word. I'm gonna walk into fucking gym like I play tennis and shit. So every time I fucking lift this, You go to a tennis match and after every shot they're like, huh? Why? Why do they do that shit? Only 2 people on a tennis court, right? You can't scare anybody to get the fuck off this shit. You know, I used to do that, Daddy. I used to pull up to the gym when I just started trading. I used to pull up to the gym with a laptop.
Fiend. You were addicted.
Yeah, when I just started trading.
I still do that. This is my gym right now.
I pull up to the gym and have a laptop in my bag and just like after every other set, I check what's going on.
You know, there's something called a mobile device, right? There's something called a phone.
Yeah, but like my account, everything MT5 was set up, and I had the thing where I just don't trade on the phone. Not the same, so I used to bring my laptop with me. But that's been years. It's been like that was years ago. That was a different epoch.
That was looks on yesterday. Looking at GJ,
Different
looking at
epoch of
gold
my
in
life.
5-minute time frame.
When you started going to the gym, how many days a week you went? When I started, I was a dumbass, and I went for 6 days. I went my first week. I went all 7 days, and then I couldn't fucking walk. And then after that, I was just doing 6 days a week.
Yeah, remember some guy started talking.
My first actually when I started trading, I went 45 days straight. I'm sorry. I did a thing called what was it? MP45. It's like one of your P90X type things, but it was MP45. I did that, and and for 45 days I worked out. But after the first 3 weeks, I was good. I was going in there real happy and shit. Here's the thing. You work out. You're supposed to work out every day because you're going to have days off. Life is going to throw days off at you, right? There's going to be times where you just can't go to the gym. And there's going to be so many of those days that they'll just account for your days off. Don't have a day off. Don't look forward to a day off. Know that you're working every day and life will throw some days off at you. And that's when you take those days off. But if you can go, you go. You know, if you tell me, oh, I didn't eat today or I didn't have a diet, name me one time when fucking, you know, physical activity has been bad for you. You know what I mean? So, regardless, diet not on point, you missed your meal, or whatever it is, go anyway. You know? You'll see enough days off just by, you know, going through life.
I guess Donwich never answer the questions. I do. It's just I get the same questions every day, 1,000 times a day. I try to just keep the convo rolling, you know. Like someone's asking me about Blueberry. Like I answered that question 1,000 times. There's no commissions on There's no commissions on gold on Blueberry on metals. You go on live chat, ask them. Look, what do you mean? You can't find any information on their website. Can you explain? Did you look at the website? Look, why trade commodities with Blueberry Markets? No commissions. Hey man, this is the problem in FX, man. That's why you guys can't adapt to new things, because you guys can't go to things by yourself. How do you expect to be a winning trader when you can't do these simple things, man? Come on. Come on, man. Where's that from?
Sports Center.
Huh? Hey, man. And then you guys ask why I don't answer questions sometimes. Because this is why. Because the questions are right in front of your face. Yo, New Year's resolution for me this year, chat, is honestly not to answer a funding question or RR question. Life would be great. I don't know, man. What was your question?
That was the question.
What's the reason y'all choose FX and not crypto and stocks? Because that's just what I trade, man. Like, I don't know what to tell you. That's just what I trade. I never touch stocks. Crypto, I touched, but I don't intraday trade. I just long term hold. Next long, like 10, 15 years hold type beat. FX is all I do. I don't know.
So I do.
I don't know. I never touched stocks. I wanted to when I was like a little kid, when I was a little younger, but I still to this day don't know much about stocks. I know how shares work, all that good stuff, but I've never like myself went to the markets and looked for positions or anything. Don, where do you trade FX? No, I don't trade, chat. I only trade gold. Okay, here's the answer to your questions, chat. I only trade gold. I only trade FX. You know what? I only trade commodities. I don't even trade FX. I just trade commodities, just gold. That's it. Why? I don't know. It works very well with price action.
Because of 150K. Because RR is 200,000.
Are there any benefits? No, I don't care. You don't gotta stop using my link. Just go on BlueberryMarkets.com, make your life easier, and just sign up. I don't really care for signups and links, chat. Like a lot of mentors and stuff, like mentors out there would just fucking they pray for you to enter using their link.
Yeah, but that's some asshole shit if you just go on right now and don't use your link. Like, why? Why not wouldn't you use his link now?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. You can use it if you want. Don't really care. It's up to you. No more GJ? We may have GJ still. Like, we may have GJ still. Wix still trying GJ for sure.
Nope. Nope.
Why? Really?
No way.
Why
What do
not?
you mean? I'm been done with GJ. I told you earlier I haven't looked at a GJ chart in like a month.
How about the stream I asked you for Asian session, like Asian session GJ? Like,
How about no?
I understand that if you're trading Asian session in GJ, but
Here's the thing. Gold has been proven to work, and gold has been moving, whether it's Asian session, London session, New York session. And if I look at my Q4 stats for the stream last year, I had one GJ trade in Q4 for Asian session. Everything else was gold. Right? So it's just, if I don't listen to the statistics that I'm keeping, then why the fuck am I keeping statistics? Right? If I'm not utilizing what I always preach to be your best friend in Forex, right? Or in this industry, your stats, your data, keeping data for what you've done and what the market's done. And if you're not utilizing that data to your advantage to optimize your trading as you go, then you're just, you're wasting away all the precious info that you've gathered. Do it for a reason, right? You have a hypothesis, then you test it out, and then you have a solid result you can go off of. It's not better than GJ. It's just gold is a lot more
there's no
technical.
better than this is better, that's better.
Some
It's
people
just
trade only GJ.
preference, yeah. There's no better than an FX chat. Like, there's not like, even when it comes to strategies, like there's no this is better, and like there should be no comparison. Each has its own lane. Each has its own way of working and doings.
Yeah, we all see, right, what we can exploit in the market, and a lot of people just see it on different pairs or see it in different ways or see a different comfort level, right? Like we say, like GJ is more forgiving than gold when it moves, if it moves against you. GJ is a little less technical when it comes to respecting zones, but GJ has its own nuances when it comes to trading it, just like gold does. I don't think this 5 minutes will be as nice on GJ because GJ doesn't give as much volume.
I also never back tested on GJs. I don't know as well.
And then again, why would you need to when gold's given two to three positions a session? You know what I mean?
Yeah, exactly. Someone said the highest win rate is GJ. My highest win rate is gold.
No gold.
So it's like, you know, I check that again. Well, I guess you can't check. Oh yeah, 69% GJ win rate, and then gold I had a 77, right?
Yeah, no, go. Besides the win rate, just if you look the amount of trades, the amount of setups you see gold versus GJ on a daily, plus the amount of not news events, but I mean I want to say the amount of catalysts you have for the market to move is much more on gold during the NY session than it is on GJ, because you'll get news on gold, you'll have COMEX open, you'll have NYC open, right? You have market open in general, right? So you don't have any of these things right now on GJ, on the pound. These currencies aren't directly affected by any of these events that are catalysts to move the market. And if they're catalysts to move gold, why are we going to look at GJ when these are all things that move gold and bring volume into the gold, 2T gold? I mean, it just makes sense, right? It's just logic. You want to trade gold for COMEX. You don't want to trade GJ. It would make more sense. You also want to trade gold for NYC, right?
Yeah.
It's really more about GJ. You can trade GJ on Asian Open, but gold will be moving as well.
just don't fall in love with the pair. Like I'm not in love with gold. I'm not in love with GJ. This is what the current situation is right now with gold. But you should never fall in love with the pair or
Might get rid of gold next year and just have US 30.
might get rid of gold next year and just not trade ever again.
Chat. New streaming time. Wix 9 a.m. 6:30 a.m. Be there. New York session posted by Wix 9. Okay.
We're not gonna take
Just
over.
Just saying. Shameless New York session plug that hasn't started yet.
Shameless. Absolute shameless.
No, streams return January 9th for the Asian session. On Monday, we'll be back.
Yo, why not
but,
tonight? Forget it. Yo, you stream tonight, you don't stream tomorrow, who cares?
No.
Just start. Who cares? Like you said, why January 1st? Why January 9th? Start today. This is another day.
You're not going to get in the way of my plans. I've called it already. You are not going to throw me off. Nope. Nope. Ooh. Ain't gonna happen. US 30, you say? Ollie, when you're hosting these
Also,
US 30 streams,
Like with gold chat, like if gold is a move for a day, and my other option is GJ, I'm not gonna look at GJ. Like okay, like I'm not gonna hunt for a trade on GJ. Like if there's no trade for gold, I'm okay with that. I'll call it a day. I'm not gonna sit there and be like, where can I get entry on GJ when there's nothing on GJ as well, right? Like that's what you don't want to do when it comes to different pairs. Or like nothing on GJ gold, you look at like US 30 after. You're like, what's this third option saying right now? Like you don't want to bring down your standards to get a trade because you just feel like taking a trade. Weed man? Yeah, I was gonna add it to the thumbnail today, but I couldn't find someone as these as you. So I had to just do it myself.
could have put me as that Snoop thumbnail and be good. Could have put me as that Snoop thumbnail. Did you watch that? My Life in the Middle East?
No. He called me that day. Was it after Christmas? I was watching Pursuit of Happiness.
Yeah, this guy.
I was eating wings and watching a movie. Wickstein calls me, yo, I'm at the skate park.
I was at the skate park.
Like, alright, okay. Show me a trick. Nah, I'm too intimidated by these guys here. Yo, you want to humble yourself, chat? Go to the skate park. That's where you humble yourself. No matter how much success you had in life, man, you go to the skate park, you humble yourself. You see dudes doing tricks off of ramps and stuff, all these kickflips, nollies, this, that.
Don was like, yo, Wix, do something. I was like, nah, these dudes are too nasty. I can't. I rolled around.
Wix usually never rolls. He's like, I'm the best at this shit. He usually has that
No, I came
confidence.
on in there was a dude that was just fucking, he'd do like, I don't know what kind of flip onto a rail, jump off of it onto a rail, and then do another flip off it. I'd be like,
Hop
what
shove
the
it
fuck
off the
was
rail.
I
Hop
don't-
shove it dark side. Yo,
No.
they're like, yo, Wix, you want to play skate? It was over.
It was wild. So yeah, I got a new skateboard. I went to the skate park. I'm trying to learn skateboarding at 40. Damn near 40. Skateboarding is dope, but like, I went there and brought my kids, and they're like, Dad, show us something. And I'm like, no, look at that guy. That's your dad. That was good. I just climbed up on the top of the ramp and lit up a J.
Your daughter did a
And they-
nice drop off the ramp.
Yo, my kids are nice. I don't know how they do that. My 3-year-old gets on her damn scooter, and does the drop in for like the half pipe ramp. I was like, what the fuck are you doing? And she's like, I'm I'm riding. She picked her leg up like a little ballerina and shit. She's like, woo. All the skateboarders are sitting there laughing and shit. And then I'm like, yo, my kid almost died. I learned skating at 28. Yeah. No. I think it's easier for kids because when they fall, it's not too far to the ground. It's what, like a foot down, like 2 feet down. For me, it's like I gotta drop 5 feet.
It's also because they have no fear.
No, motherfucker, they're closer to the ground. If you were 3 feet away from the ground, if your face was like almost eye level, you wouldn't be scared either.
Well, what does that mean though? Kids don't know that. Kids don't they don't know how it feels to be taller. That's why. For them, that's already high. Like that's the bar. That's where they like as they grew. You know, as you grow your account, you know, 10, 15, like you grow steadily, right? Just like the way you grow in real life too. So they don't know how it feels to have a 100K account, to be 6'6". They know how it feels to be 5'4".
Yeah.
So for them, it's just the fear of not knowing. They don't know. That's the thing about kids. They don't know. They don't know. They have no fear because they don't know what.
They don't know the result. Like, what the fuck to be scared of?
That's why kids are. That's why it's good to look up the kids. A lot of people don't look up the kids, but I look at the kids. They're very creative because no one's telling them what to do.
I tell my kids what to do.
Belt. Say the word belt. Door is locked.
Nah.
That's the holidays. It's the holidays.
Cops at my door in about 10 minutes if I say the word belt. You heard that? They just locked the door. They heard you say belt and the door locked.
Dude, this song sounds like some Stranger Things. How do you explain the sound, chat? What kind of sounds this is like? Like, how do you explain the Stranger Things soundtrack? It's like euphoric. Is that it?
Heavenly.
Like euphoric or something, right? Man, what day is it? Monday? It's still a holiday today, chat. Basically, I technically have another week off, but I wasn't gonna stream today. Honestly, yesterday I was gonna be like, yo, I'm streaming the 9th. I don't care what anyone says to me. And then I looked at gold. I'm like, gold's moving very nice during Asian. We should have the same volume going into New York tomorrow. So fuck it, I'll stream.
Did the hourly close above for you?
Oh, today's Tuesday. Sorry, yeah. The hourly close. Sorry, gotta pick this. I didn't know the 1 hour candle closed there. Yeah.
Daily, but the 30 is clear.
It comes down to the 4 hour candle.
And the 4 hours, well, the 4 hour never broke the low. The previous broke the low.
Ooh, bullish.
Broke the high. Yeah, closed bullish.
Is there respecting something here? Cause like there's a support form there. Like I want. Yeah, I guess you can say right there, like right here, respecting that support. But that being said, you could be targeting like 1841.
You look for a fake out on the 5 here. Yo, what's up with this
Santa?
fucking Santa skiing across the fucking? That's not where the slopes are at, Santa.
Honestly, if I'm looking for position, I'll look for position until targets like 1841. I'll only look for a position above this range here. So that leads to this range only being 20, like 15, 20 pips.
You wouldn't look for the position
you
within
could
the
get
range itself.
sells, but not yet. Like definitely not yet. Like maybe if you form like this situation for sells, yeah. You have like support here. Then you have and you have 2 ranges, right? Basically just a range 2 breakout. I'll look for sells, but this not yet. I have to be like
You can have the 5 coming back in range here, right? Like this coming back in this range.
yeah.
Would you take that back up into this range if it closes above? Because for what you're drawing, it's got to respect this and close below.
I'll look for this. You close below like this later on for range 2 sells. I'll look for that. Buys, I'll look for.
You want to trade within the range at all?
Yeah, no, I don't want to be in this range now because it's final support. I don't know what's gonna do here. I got no idea. I want to see this though. You do something like this, chat. You get a range 2 within this.
Ooh.
That'll be great. But maybe like 8, 9:30 or something. Probably. I don't know. I typically, if I wasn't streaming, I'll still be on the charts, but not like every minute like I am right now. I'll be making food, whatever, you know, doing my stuff, and then checking back 30-minute candle 15. But I mean, we gotta wait here. I don't know. Think I hop off, call it a single channel if I get late, or do I just stay on? And like, I'm pretty sure we get another trade today, but it's just gonna be some time here. Also could call it. What do you guys want to do, chat? It's the first of the year. We took the W already. Do you just call it on stream?
Oh, call it a year.
100% win rate. Yo, 100% win rate year, you know?
Name me another trader that does this. Name me another streamer that goes 100% for the year. Nobody.
Yeah, we ended today. 100% win
Innovative.
rate. No innovation.
Nobody knows what I do. No innovation.
Yo, thanks for coming by today, chat. I love you guys. Thank you. All support on the first day back. I think we peaked. I didn't even check. I mean, I don't know how many viewers we have right now. 1,000. I think we peaked 1,200. Not bad. A first day back. You over traders.
All of you.
This is a very nice position. Later, if you get a breakout below his range here.
Whirl.
You know what, chat? If I guess something, I'll call it soon, chat. Because I don't know if it's gonna come 9:30, 9:40, 10 a.m. Like, I don't know. So we just call that day here on stream. Call it a quick stream today, you know, and do a wordo and then hop off, you know. And we'll be back tomorrow morning at 6:30 a.m. Eastern, as per usual. If you guys tell Wixon to stream, if you spam his phone, he will eventually stream. So just spam his phone tonight and make him stream Asian session.
We back on the 9th, baby. What's going on over here? We got more attempts?
What do you mean?
Oh, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I thought they added an attempt.
We've been gone for that long? God damn.
Yeah.
Trade. Hey.
About. Get all. Get,
Aunts.
but about got 3 vowels.
I'm going for this. We can still do about.
No, we gotta end. We gotta end. No, don't do that now. We gotta end now.
This is good. Well, we don't know the B is there too.
Antsy. No S.
And. Happy something like this, right? No, it has to be something like this. The T can only go here. It can't go at the end, right? Oh, there's a hockey game tonight. Bro, I haven't been to a Leafs game in years. Oh my god. But that just came up in my head. The game tonight. Sorry. Where do you think the T goes? I think it goes here or here. Or that's not an option. I think it goes second T, right? Like something AT or something. Hattie. Or
Attain.
yeah. Nope.
Oh, two
Two T's.
T's.
You need 2 T's.
Yeah.
Atar. 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 Ladder. Atar.
Nope.
Multimillionaire by the time of 23?
I don't think there's any more consonants in there. I think it's all vowels now. You have A and
Yeah,
T, and
I
now we need
always-
like a,
I don't know where it goes though. It's just a T. I don't know where the T goes. Could be two T's, like something like this. Attic. Nope. Atin. Hey. No. About would have been a good guess, huh?
Given the rest, I make them laugh again. In my best, I be no run again. I have the man them stuttering. I'm getting this nigga in the morning.
I think the T is at the end, honestly.
Yeah, but I'm trying to figure like the
A-N-
I-O. Like where is that?
A-N.
I knew it. Annoyed? Annoyed.
Could have two A's.
Not. How about like NT, right?
A tone. Oh no, no E. Fuck. Fuck. Fuck.
Like something ONT. No?
Could be NT.
I think it's two
A-N-T,
letters somewhere. Two
O-N-T,
T's or
I-N-T.
two A's. We tried that tune. We're not losing a word today. Not the first day. Not the first word of the year. I'm not losing this word though.
Aaron.
Did my cam die? Not right.
I need
Again.
a T.
Imagine it was again. Ah man. Ammo.
No, N.
I don't know, man. Tin? Baton? Baton. Two T's here. Oh fuck, wait, the C. Okay.
Antic.
Wait. Oh, I don't know. Antic. Wow.
What a filler guess.
Hey.
Good
Yeah,
filler guess.
I mean, that was the X. I forgot. I just did it. I forgot the N. We need an N. That's a W, I guess. That's like 50% closure, right?
Hey, gonna ruin Wordle like that.
Hey. Antic. It was that easy, man.
3 years later.
That's we thought of this, but we didn't like. I don't know. W. But we've been saying that. Well, I can't do a Wordle and just read chat. It won't be fun.
Yeah, we don't be doing chat. Gotta have my chat off, dog. Ooh, slow down. Might have been a beneficial Wordle.
The range is only how big was the target?
20 pips.
42, right? Yeah.
What are you looking at? Stops?
Too bad, huh? Oh, stops are like 35. Target's around 34. Or 35. If you take a look here, the 1 hour has the range go up, right? Towards top of the range here. The 5 here, take a close look. Every time we closed above these levels here, just focus on this box here, or this box. Every time you close above this zone, or you can say above this zone, right? You came up to fill the top of the range. So look left here. Look at this. Close above here. Price drove up. Close above here. Price drove up. Close above here. Price drove up. So like almost every time you close above that zone there, price was able to drive up. I would expect the same thing here if you close above here. 1840 here on a 5 in a minute and a half. But you gotta close above here first, right? Above 1839.998. I don't know why you're laughing.
What?
Nothing.
So you know why I'm laughing?
Yeah.
I know some things don't make sense. Okay.
You're muted. I'm muted. Hello, hello.
No, you're good.
Wix is muted. Wix talk. You're not talking.
No, I'm not muted. Neither are you. Everyone can hear us.
Yeah, it should be good. Ever got hit in my end? Come on, Badger. Hey, Badger. I was editing your spreadsheets. Yo, Badger showed me like the codes and everything for the spreadsheet. I'm not gonna lie. I gotta give him more credit than I give him more credit than I thought. Like, there's a
You
shift.
gave him more credit. You gotta give him more
I
credit.
mean, I gotta give him more credit because like, it's a lot to input in, man. It's not as easy as I thought. I thought it was. There's layers of this shit. There's layers and layers and layers to the spreadsheet.
This is the real onion right here. Spreadsheet.
Yeah, this is wild. Shout out to Badger though. Yeah,
It was
rock
built.
on.
Yo, I've been trying to light this J. Whatever.
You chat, you come to our streams, man. You have every genre of music. Please close below so I can call it a day. Chat, honestly, I want to call it a stream. How many viewers do you have right now? I think a lot dipped, right? 800. Okay, not bad. You like Kendrick? Yeah, I used to love Kendrick. I loved Kendrick when I was 12. Listen, a good kid, Mad City. Trust me. I used to have that on repeat on my PSP. My PSP used to have the Kendrick Lamar album. I stopped listening to Kendrick after like not completely, but I stopped listening to his music or keeping up with him as heavy after he dropped Damn. Or yeah, when he dropped Damn, I wasn't really like at that point because I listened to a lot of Pimp Butterfly and Good Kid, Mad City. After Damn, I can't just stop. So your PC, my PC used to have the best tracks on it. Section 80, yeah, Section 80, yeah, that was fire. That came out in 2016, right? No, 2011. Sorry, 2011. Untitled came out in 2016. Yeah, Section 8. I remember Section 8. When he dropped ADHD. When he dropped this song, that was nice. Started becoming a fan. Wix, you're muted. Why'd you mute yourself? They fooled you?
No, I'm trying to fuck around with these sound bites.
Yeah, I changed your zoom output or something. I don't know. You can't go on a regular broker if you're from the US.
Nope.
You can't
No.
trade gold in the US on a regular broker. It's illegal.
You can't do a lot of things. A regulated broker. You can't open two positions.
You can't?
No, you can't open hedging positions. You can.
Wait, I'm regulated.
Yeah, but you're not in the U.S.
Oh, US regulated. Ah. I wonder when Canada's gonna hit with that stuff.
Yo. 90 seconds. I'm sorry, 60 seconds. I use TD. Right near the beach, Orlando.
The song takes it back to high school. The song takes it back to grade 6, grade 7. Oh man, grade 7. Ugh. Yeah, I keep looking forward though, man. Yeet. Wix, where are you from?
Right near the beach, boy.
You ever Blaze pizza? All the time.
Love Lay's pizza.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What? Oh. Uh-oh. Chat. You have a closure above her. How big are stops? 36 pips. Oh, brother.
You got to go below the whole zone there.
Did you get a closure? Where did I have this level marked out? Why is it?
You got a closure above, and you got a closure above the most recent.
Okay, I see. Okay, never mind. I had it somewhere here. Yeah, off the 4 hour or something. How big are stops on the break of the highs? 38.
38.
And 38.
I didn't take the break of the highs. I just took it as the candle closed.
All right, chat. Got a closure above the range. In the position here, stops are gonna be below the previous zone, and then target. I mentioned earlier. I broke it down earlier. I said how every time you close above this range here, you came up to tap like 1830, 1842 minimum. So that is the next resistance. Probably that's the next target. I'll say. I'm targeting 44, but once you tap like 1842, we can manage us at that point. For price. All right. Yeah, I got a 5 closure above the range, a break of the highs. That's all that was. Stops above the pre zone. Current exchange trade is the other one, honestly. And then yeah, probably by the time taps like 1841.50, at that point we'll manage risk, move stops to break even. Cool.
I'm break even right here. I'm about to close. Well,
You got better entry, I think, right?
Yeah.
I'm not BE just yet. Still in here. All right, there we go. Chat, gonna move this stops to break even here. This BE not closing full just yet. I want to see if we can run up towards like 42 here. I'm probably gonna close full, honestly, chat. If I'm being honest here, I'm probably gonna close full at like 1840. I want to say 1842. This resistance to the left. But I'm just break even for a time being because there's no reason for this count to or no, we got a better entry. I lied. But I'm just break even here. We tap this resistance to the left. But I'll probably close full at 42. Anywhere in that zone there. Not closing just yet. You got a better, 10, right, Wix?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I had 12.
I think even if I took an entry earlier, I would have had a buy stop anyways above this candle high. So if anything, I would have missed my entry by maybe like, I don't know, maybe 2 pips. I don't think it would have been a big difference, honestly. 2 pip difference. I think I peaked there like 9 or something. 9 or 8.
10.4.
I peaked 8. I didn't even peak 9. I peaked 8. It was very small push.
10.4, but I'll close it at 15, 16 pips. If we get there. Because realistically, I want to get to 1841.9, 1842 like you have.
Alright, I'm probably gonna do 1842.
It's the same thing, yeah, the fill of the wick.
Yeah, like 1842. Like anywhere in this zone, probably. Realistically.
Yeah.
You could target 44. Like, the issue with that though is that you had this right here. Guys, I mentioned every time you close above, you drove up. You drove up here once, and here. We want to be worried about the lowest range here, which is here, right? Even though we drove up here, you can still reject here. So you want to be safe at like 42. 0.26. You have a decision there. You want to close full, you want to close half, whatever it is you want to do. If it breaks the highs here, we should be good to drive. We should get a push here, and as we get a push on a break of highs, you should tap like 41.98. Realistically, on the next push is when you have a decision to make. Yeah, I don't want to close full or manage this however you want, because there's going to be likely a push once you break the highs. Okay, almost breaking the highs, I believe. I don't think you broke it just yet. This 5 closed there, and it's probably gonna create a bottom wick. Yeah, there's a bottom wick on the 5. I hit BE, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, this 5 closed here, chat, and look, it just closed right at resistance, right? So this
resistance.
It's forming a range here from 1841 to 1839 here, and that's the range it kind of came down to. Create a bottom wick. As for more positions, you probably want to wait for above 1841 now, but at this point I'm probably done for a day, man. Took that nice break even trade. Yeah, that's the day. You closed full, right? Yeah, I hit BE, chat. BE. I think I made like maybe a little above BE, maybe like a pip or 2, but yeah, I kind of like break even, you know. Call it a day, you know what I'm saying. It's good though, cause I didn't cost enough for that. I couldn't type quick enough, so it's good that we hit break even, you know. They would have complained. But yeah, chat, I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow morning at 6:30 a.m. Eastern. Have a good day, sir. I appreciate you being here today, and I'll catch you guys in the morning. Peace out, peace and love, and if you're still trading, be safe. Make sure you wear protection. All right. Peace out, chat.
Hasta la pasta.
Hasta la pasta. What the fuck does that mean?
See you tomorrow.
Peace, yo.
Keep it to myself and staying out the way. Always on my lonely cause I can't change. Seeing how they talking and I'm outraged. Taking care of me, don't need a damn thing. Shawty suck my dick, then I get lost in the abyss. I'm a quiet motherfucker, but I like to talk my shit. I'm off for shroom, I'm off for bean, I'm off a whole lot of shit. You could bet I'm in my head, but you could bet I'm in your bitch. Look, these niggas be my sons, without me they be done. Where the fuck would you get all your mobile pictures from? That's why I've been living on this island with my blunt. Ignoring all these niggas cause my energy is priceless. I've been living on an island too. I've been living on an island too. I've been living on an island too. I've been living on an island. Tell me, can we keep it to myself and staying out the way. Always on my lonely cause I can't change. Seeing how they talking and I'm outraged. Taking care of me, don't need a damn. Look, my energy is priceless. Told my jeweler ice this. I'm way too decisive. Don't catch that ego-itis. When I'm up in London, everybody say your highness. Not because I'm royal, but because I be the highest. Sipping champagne, bitch, I do my damn thing. Born for this like Matt Dane. Red whip look like Chastain. People be so phony, that's why I be on my lonely. People be so phony, that's why I be on my lonely. I've been living on an island too. I've been living on an island too. I've been living on an island too. I've been living on an island. People be so phony, that's why I be on my lonely. People be so phony, that's why I be on my lonely. Lonely people be so phony, that's why I be on my lonely. Lonely. Sipping champagne, bitch, I do my damn thing. Born for this like Matt Dane. Red whip look like Chastain. Sipping champagne, bitch, I do my damn thing. Born for this like Matt Dane. Red whip look like Chastain.
Yeah. Two. Yeah. Drinking dope turned me to a superhero. Yeah. Hit that pill, turned me to a superhero. Yeah. Roll my 90s, turned me to a superhero. Yeah.
If your metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.
I'm on that dope again, I'm on that flow again, switch up the flow again, yeah. Fly down the parachute, gripping that pole again, I'm on that all again, yeah. Candy in the cup, gotta get paid, king in the streets, young nigga made, spraying on the crowd, take it to the grave. Ain't having problems, I'm sipping the bar. Shout out to Dallas, my bitch is a star. Nigga get rich, ready to take you to war. Piss on your casket, shoot at your bra. Do you something nasty, roll you in a gar. Bitch get graphic, fuck me in the car. I get you a brand new roller tomorrow. I put that brand new roll on your arm. Ain't moving slow, but I'm still on R. Tennis bracelets and they came with the frost. Cuban links all the way up to your jaw. Step up the swag when I step on a bra. $2.50, ooh, that's the cheapest one. Stacking these hundreds up. like coupons. Told you from the beginning, upper echelon. I get the stacking up, I'm untouchable. I get to represent money multiple. I'm at the top of the charts, unapproachable. Bread by the loaf, turbo the motor, tic-tac-toe. Kill another vulture, selling their bows. Bitch do yoga, I deserve rewards. Serving these boulders, 100 grand large when I shop, that's a total. Fill up the garage, bitch, I'm a mogul. Ain't no facade, ain't no fugazi. I jump it off, I get paid. Drop top rush, I'm going crazy. I push off, smoking on haze. Not trying to floss, Cartier shades. Candy in the cup, gotta get paid. King in the streets, young nigga made. Spraying on the crowd, take it to the grave. Ain't having problems, I'm sipping the bar. Shout out to Dallas, my bitch is a star. Nigga get rich, better take it to war. Piss on your casket, shoot at your bra. Do you something nasty, roll you in a car. Bitch get graphic, fuck me in the car. I get you a brand new roller tomorrow. I put that brand new roll on your arm. Ain't moving slow, but I'm still on R. Tennis bracelets and they came with the frost. Cuban links all the way up to your jaw. Step up the swag when I step on a bra.
Top night feeling, tired you be a hero, but live long enough to see yourself become a villain.
Soon as you up, these niggas wanna bring you down. The weight of the world, sit on my shoulders, hold the crown. I ain't got a case, so I can't save you now. Niggas wanna hate, rather see you drown. And the world keeps spinning, like I'm the only one. Am I the only one? Why? They don't wanna see you.